so we can actually see it.
Oh,
just too good not to host. Thanks, Elite. Programming. Oh my goodness. Guys, we were just hosted by twitch.tv/programming. Holy guacamoles. Welcome everybody from the programming channel. Oh no. Oh gosh, I don't even know how this is gonna work, but we are being raided by twitch.tv/programming. Guys, I need your help. You have to help us defend the stream from the avatar that I created. The avatar that I created myself. JJ, you have been chosen. Guys, I need your help to defend the stream against the massive undertaking of twitch.tv/programming. I need you guys to vote #fight, #item, or #run in chat right now to decide what we do with these programming raiders. Don't let them defeat us. Don't let them defeat us, guys. If you guys are new to the show, this is our raid battle. You can type #fight, #item, or #run right now to decide what you want to do. JJ, you have to defend us. 8 seconds, here we go. I'm seeing a lot of fighting. 2, 1, time. The stream decided to fight. JJ used torque. Of all the attacks, JJ, programming used force push. No! No, we're not doing so good, guys. One more round. This is it. #fight, #item, or #run in chat. Defend us against these programming raiders. A lot of items. Oh no. Items being rolled. Items being rolled like crazy. You guys want to see what's in the bag, don't you? Run to live another day. Sean, we won't survive. If you guys are just joining us, we are defending our stream against the the twitch.tv/programming raiders. I need your help. Fight, item, or run. All right, we're gonna use an item. Let's see what we get. JJ found a lava lamp. Nice. That means JJ got distracted. No, we can't attack next turn. We're screwed. Programming pass go and collected 200 health. Oh my gosh, this is not going as planned. Oh, programming is completely healed. Round 3. #fight, #item, or #run. Oh crap. This is what you guys get for using an item. This is not looking too good for us. This is not looking too good for us. Run, don't run. Don't run. We can still take him. We can still take him, guys. No, don't run. Don't leave me here. Don't leave! Guys, no! Let's hope for Rocket Fist Nim. I don't know. I see a lot of runs in chat. 4 seconds. We don't stand a chance. Quasi TV ran away. No, there it is. Programming and the Raiders win. There it goes. We have just been raided, hosted, and very well defeated by twitch.tv/programming. Guys, check it out. Twitch.tv/programming is a new awesome thing that Twitch is doing to get programming and game devs and all other kind of programmers in the forefront. Give that channel a follow. Doing a lot of cool stuff. Some TechCrunch stuff is planned in the schedule. They did a cool White House thing today. So definitely check out that show. It's super, super cool. And thank you so much, Twitch, for the host. Moss, thank you very much for being awesome. Welcome everybody from Twitch.tv/programming. This is Quasi TV. We're a game dev stream. We are currently working on a game called Convention Tycoon. This is a game where you create and manage your own video game convention. So if you're hanging out in chat, you can talk right now in chat to spawn as an NPC in our convention. In this game, you could do things like bring indie games and AAA companies and other imaginary things. Things like Fishagon and Water Fox. You can choose where you want your booths to be placed. The developers will spawn. They'll come to your booths. They'll get deliveries. You can hire staff members to help you out. So I'll hire some haulers to help me carry all these boxes that are about to be delivered for these booths. You can get stuff for your NPCs. So you can get yourself some beanbag chairs for your NPCs to hang out in. I'll put some beanbag chairs down so all these people can sit down and hang out. You can even get a ball pit, which is of course one of the most important parts of any convention. And you can get yourself a pizza shop so that your characters can get some good old-fashioned American pizza. What's up, everybody? So this is Convention Tycoon. We are on day 19 of development. It's very, very new. We've only just started it, but we're making some really, really cool progress, so I'm excited to see where the game goes. You want to be a character, Tom? All you've got to do is chat, and you'll show up in chat. Or you'll show up in game. So there you guys are, your bald little Twitch heads. So I just realized why everyone in the Twitch chat is bald. I love my little convention pizza for $50 a slice. Actually, the pizza in Convention Tycoon is completely free because we haven't actually coded paying for things yet. Nopal, I'm looking at you! So I just realized all the Twitch characters are bald because we turned off the Twitch hair. So we'll go turn that back on, probably. How many can spawn? Technically infinite, but I think at around 200 my Unity will crash. So we're still working on the performance and stuff like that for characters. Here's what you guys can expect from Quasi TV. What is this? Oh gosh, dude. Oh gosh. So you guys can see your characters. Now one of the cool things about the game, one of the things I'm excited about is you can grab any NPC. Of course, you can follow them with your camera. You can pick them up and move them around. But you can also look through their eyes and see the convention the way they're seeing it. So here's me walking around QuasiCon, seeing all of your pretty Twitch faces hanging out in the convention. And, oh, I guess I'm going in the ball pit. I'm waiting in line. Let's get in here. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at this ball pit action. You guys enjoying yourselves as much as I am? Yeah, you are too, aren't you, buddy? This is great. Where are you, David? You're in there, amongst all these other people. There's someone standing here eating pizza. So right now, from the shop, you can buy pizza, a banana, and a cold drink. All right, let's get this reset. Let's get some hair going. So our Twitch characters have their hair turned off. So we're gonna go into our character creator, where I believe I hard-coded no hair for Twitch players. So I think it's somewhere in if Twitch guest, we set has hair and has hat and all this stuff to false. So we're gonna set can cosplay into true. Take off this. So this was used because we put a special hat on Twitch players before. So we'll just take all that off. And now you guys should spawn as randomly generated characters. Minecraft version 2 Twitch VR edition. Exactly. Ball pit action. That's right, Vandy. Soon we will crash as Unity has 500 people chats. Oh gosh. Yeah, it's not quite ready for 500 characters yet, but soon it needs. Oh, why did I spawn my own? I just screwed myself. Soon we're gonna need to work on performance for our actual characters because we want this game to at least have be able to support at least a few hundred NPCs at it. So again, we're on day 19 of the game, so very early. We're currently working on a basic prototype to hopefully get this game on greenlight as soon as we can. So there you guys go. Now you're all randomly generated characters. So let's see who we got. There's High TV hanging out with a sweet little blue mohawk and his Twitch shirt. There's Nivor with a little golden crown and cute little pigtails. There's Shippy with a white beard and red hair, kind of balding. You're a very handsome man. Eat. Oink, oink, what's up after? Look. Your character has to poop, Tom. So your character can actually poop. So check it out. There are little bathrooms here. So every character has a set of stats. So they've got happiness, hunger, thirst, and energy. And they also have a hidden bathroom stat, so when the bathroom stat goes down, they will actually head to the bathroom and try to use it. So let's speed up time here. So our characters have to start going to the bathroom, and there they go. So now there should be a set of characters who probably have to use the bathroom. Om Nom Nom eating a room edge. That guy's out of bounds, yes. The characters still have some clipping issues, which we'll worry about in the future. So our main focus right now on stream is to get the base systems of the Tycoon and management going. So things like hiring, the actors actually experiencing things, walking around, and visiting different kinds of stations. Hashtag wave kill. That would be cool. So what ideas would you guys want from your Twitch characters in game? I know someone mentioned /dance would be cool to have. Which language would you choose between C# and Java, Trundle? C# every day. C# all day. I used to work a lot in Java. In college, we worked almost primarily in Java, but C#, man. C#. Thanks, Acid. I appreciate it. What kind of action would you guys want to see your Twitch characters do in game? I know /dance is a really good idea, someone said. Wave is a great one. Caterly, wave's a great one. Actually, the characters can wave right now. So we could pretty much do wave if we wanted to. Toilet Con. You know what? We should name this convention Toilet Con. That is a better name for this convention. Toilet Con. I like it. Quasi-Sun is awesome. Quasi-Con is awesome. It is. It's just full of people walking around with nowhere to go. Nowhere to go, nothing to do. C# Master Race. Working emotes. Oh, I know. Working emotes would be cool, but I guess there is, I think, a way to get into the Twitch API and get access to the emotes, right? I don't know how people do it where they actually have the emotes that kind of come out of their thing. Zoot! Damn it, Zoot!
Hashtag poop, hashtag hungry, hashtag dance commands for characters. NAOW.
Zoot, thank you so much for that $2 donation. Guys, can we please get some hearts and love in chat for Zoot? That's like coming in with $2. Follow a character. That's a good idea, Vandy. That's a little harder, I guess, but not too hard. You can get the emails from Twitch API. Thanks, Swift. Have you ever done it with Unity, Swift? Because I would love some help on that. Because the Twitch API asset I use doesn't actually do anything with emotes. I actually don't know how to do it. Hashtag CodeCon. C# with Link. Yes, of course. Link for life. C++ is a superior language. I guess technically, yeah. Because I mean, C++ you could get down low and like you get in there and like do lots of stuff. So it is probably superior language. But I'm more comfortable with C# because I use it a lot more. Someone just pooped. They did. Someone pooping? Who's pooping? Who's pooping? Let's turn off the Twitch follow. Who's pooping? Oh, this guy's no. That guy's not pooping. No, nobody's pooping. All right. So what do you guys say? If I see 10 kappas in chat, if we see 10 kappas in chat, we can start working on Twitch commands right now today. Depends on you guys. Superior is subjective. That's true, but submarine is not subjective. So take that how you will. There's a really good plugin for $10 which gives you base emotes to build upon, not use. No way! Oh, okay, wait. I forgot I said kappas. Okay, that's more than 10. Okay, that's more than 10. Oh god, look at all the kappas in the game. I forgot that's what's gonna happen. Oh, it so needs emotes. It so needs emotes. Permission to link? Yeah, Cloud, I'd appreciate it. What do you want to link to? If you can't get permission from me, feel free to ask a mod for permission as well. Too many rip. Not today, I guess. Yeah, I said 10. You guys were. I said 10 kappas. That was at least 11 kappas. I guess not. 10 kappas is an underestimation. I know. I forgot our stream number is not suitable for just 10. All right, so let's do it. Let's do it. Twitch API for emotes. Yeah, we'll have to do some connection. That'll take a little bit longer. So let's start without the emotes first. First Twitch says emotes. Damn it, Vandy. What happened? What's up, Alien? Hi, Mom. I'm on stream. Using the Twitch Sharp library, I remember it working well on my C# programs. No, actually, so the Twitch integration currently in the game is very basic. It's actually not even using the Twitch API at all. All it does is read from IRC. So it's reading chat, everything you guys are saying. The game is reading it, parsing it, and if it's relevant, or pretty much right now all it's doing is if you chat and you're not in the game, it spawns you in. And if you are in the game, it just shows a message over your head. So it's very basic integration using open source Twitch IRC library. Model each Twitch emote, then when someone uses it, their head should change to that emote. Scope creep, Slark Knight! Scope creep! Yeah, Leica, we were very fortunate to be rated by twitch.tv/programming today. I'll check back when I get back from my appointment. Cool, thanks, Tom. Okay, so let's start with some basic integration. I think Wave will be the easiest one. Who rated us? Twitch.tv/programming. A new programming channel by Twitch, which is super, super awesome. So let's start with some very simple ones. So I think we have a Twitch something. Twitch logo, Twitch controller. No, that's... Oh, do we not actually have a Twitch class on the NPCs? Huh. We're doing all of our Twitch stuff straight through the Twitch controller, which is interesting. Now, should we or should we not? I guess we should keep it all on the Twitch controller. We could either do that or we could just add a special Twitch entity or a Twitch class onto the characters themselves. Hashtag emotes or hashtag banana suit or straw poll and 50% votes on viewer count. Damn it, Vandy. That link should be the JSON for emote codes and their social link. Oh, I think I missed it. Oh, cool. Thanks, Cloud. That's awesome. What? Okay, perfect. I think, yeah, I guess with Unity you could probably just download the image from the web at start and maybe store them somewhere. Thank you, Cloud. I appreciate that. Is this all done solo? Yeah, so I'm a solo team, so I do all of the art and code for my game. So for anyone who hasn't seen this show before, again, my name is QuasiTV. We're currently working on Convention Tycoon. I am the creator of Skyhook. It's a game out now on Steam. It's a 2D platform where you fight with grappling hooks. So for my games, I do all of the in-game artwork and all the programming for the games. I work with other people to do music and illustrations and stuff like that as well. Eat a Stroopwafel Noble? I don't have any more. So let's jump into messages. Let's think of some commands. I guess we can make a list of... I guess we just do a hashtag... What? SkyTech! 6 months! 6 months in a row, SkyTech6
returns.
Welcome back, dude. You have been missed. You have been missed and loved and hated, and I'm glad to see you back. Welcome. How's your move? I'm glad you're now settled, right? You got a place. You're not in hotels without internet anymore. Thanks, Nopal. Did you send the IRC v3 tag command when joining the chat server? I guess. I forget. I use an open source library. So I use this class, Twitch IRC, which starts by doing this. What happens if you add a sleep 1 second before instead of the log? Oh, you're talking to somebody else. Guys, please get some love and hype in chat for SkyTech6. 6 months of support. Thank you so much for subscribing, dude. You're amazing. Hope everything's well with your move. Hope everything went well. I started learning C# as first language, and now I've jumped to C++. I liked very much your stream until now. Hope to enjoy everything. Thanks, Victor. What do you mean until now? What did I do? What went wrong? Now got that quick interwebs and horrible time zone. Dude, that is awesome. You have faster internet than I do. I'll tell you that right now. What programming language? This is C# 315. So let's go hash set string commands equals a new hash set string, and let's do so what do we want to do? We can do dance wave. You know, we could probably just make this. I actually don't know. Can you serialize a hash set? So we could do this in the inspector, so it's easier to add later on. I don't even know where the Twitch manager comes from. Probably the game manager. I've been doing some Java. Would you recommend me to start with C#, Malfrance? C# is great if you want to work in Unity. Java is a great language. So Java and C# are very similar. One of my friends always calls C# like Java++. So they're very similar. So if you have a good foundation in Java, you could pick up C# almost no problem. I honestly didn't even realize I was working in C# for a long time. There's a couple of different nuances and stuff, but for the most part, I mean, it's very, very, very similar. Okay, so you cannot serialize hash sets. That's fine. I'll serialize your face, SkyTech. We'll worry about other stuff later. Good idea. You're Brazilian? That was a writing mistake. Oh, no worries, Victor. I was just messing with you. Studying to be just like you. Awesome, dude. Do it. Make a game. Make a game. Good question about the chatter, like whether or not they're sub mod in their chat name. What? Seriously? Oh, that's awesome, Swift. Thank you. I didn't know that. No one has solved the riddle yet. True, there is a riddle out by Zoot right now. The winner of the riddle wins a Rocket League Steam key. So the winner, whoever can solve this riddle here, which is some sort of an encryption riddle by Zoot, the Riddler in chat, will win a Rocket League Steam key from that jerk himself. So let's go dance, wave, and let's just do that for now. I guess we could say bathroom, or let's say toilet. Toilet. How to spell? How to spell even? Brazil represent! What's up, Dan? For the future, if you send the caprec commands that has a bunch of tags at the beginning of each line, things like which emotes are used easily parsable. Wait, we get that. That's awesome. I didn't know that. We're gonna have to start doing that. So stringless commands. So we can say update on chat message received. If chatters contain C, chatters on chat by player. So here's our method. Blah 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 blah. So you can say if commands dot contains key message dot to lower. And we're only gonna do this if message dot length is less than 10, just so it doesn't always do it for all your long messages. Depending on how you have your code set up. Gotcha. Where are we going? Okay. So if message, and then yep. So if commands contains message dot lower, then we'll do a we could say on command. Do void on command, string user string command. And so we'll call on command for this user. And send in this message. Now, we should probably not do this so soon. We probably want to do it here only. So this should all be like that. There's a different way of doing commands that's pretty awesome that I'm using for what the box chat commands. Way more organized and clean than you want. Do you want? Yeah. I'm about to do this now because it's quick and dirty to get it done, but I would love to see it so I could do it in the future. Yeah. There's a Steam key and a private Discord message for what the box, in case you want to hand it to one? I don't know. What do you guys say, chat? Do you guys think Do you guys in chat think this is a good time for a giveaway? Did anybody in chat want an amazing giveaway by our very own Nopal? If you guys think a giveaway is a good idea, maybe just type giveaway or type Piccolo in chat. If you think giveaway is a good idea. How long does it take to make a game like Skyhook game? It took me, Gamerseed, it took me 2 years and 1 month to make Skyhook. The first 1 year and 6 months of Skyhook, I had a full-time job. So I worked 40 hours a week, and I worked on Skyhook about 30 to 40 hours a week. And then I quit my job, and then I finished the game. In total, it took me 2 years and 1 month. I see a giveaway. I see a Piccolo, more Piccolos. I see a damn suit. Put that away. I see a giveaway. I see a Piccolo. Okay. I think maybe we could do a little giveaway for What the Box. Hashtag banana hoodie. I think it's a good idea. I think let's do it. So if you guys don't know what the Box is a super duper 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 snooper awesome Steam game created and developed by our very own mod, Daniel S&D, hanging out in chat right now. The developer of this game is hanging out in chat. He just released this game on Monday. It's one of the top selling games on Steam. It's a multiplayer shooter where it doesn't load on Chrome. It's a multiplayer shooter where you fight as cardboard boxes. And it's pretty damn awesome, and my internet's not working, so maybe the stream's not even running. Maybe no one can even see me right now. I could totally pick my nose and nobody will notice. Let's fire up our giveaway tool. Well, the Box is a Brazilian game. This is true. This is true. It is. It's one of the best Brazilian games ever, Brazilian of all time. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for a little bit of a giveaway? Because let's get some hype. Load names. Load. Oh gosh, all these people. I'll take away my bot. I'm pretty sure Simbi already has the game. I'll take away Daniel S&D. Doesn't even show up in the list. That's cool. That's fine. That works for me. And I think everyone else. I guess Notebook, because he actually gave us this key. Nopal. There we go. You guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Let's get right in the news. What does that mean? Let's start this giveaway. It's What the Box giveaway time! Bam, 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 bam. We're giving away What the Box, a multiplayer shooter you fight says cardboard boxes made by Daniel S&D in chat. Here we go. Who's it gonna be? Is it gonna be that guy? Is it gonna be Party? Is it gonna be Cloud? Is it gonna be Blind? Is it gonna be Noble? Is it gonna be not Noble? Boxy? Wait, is someone named Boxy in chat? Is it gonna be Lycor? Is it gonna be Jesse? Jovgard? Zoot? Beetlecore? Dev? Pidden? Clink? Ossing? Batabar? It's gonna be Batabar! You want What the Box? Oh, nice, GT. Bathabar, you are the winner. If you are here, show your face. You have 60 seconds to say something, anything in chat. If you do, you will win a Steam key to What the Box. What's up, Monte? It's 5 p.m. and here's Quasi with the news. Giveaway time! Bathabar, where are you? Are you here? So close, Devtron. I know, so close. If you don't speak up, Bathabar, we'll give it away to somebody else. Are you around? Are you alive? Are you real? Where art thou? Where art thou? What is a Bathabar? A Bathabar is a Steam key winner. That's what it is. Uh-oh, 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Oh no. Oh no. I have many energies, Super. Actually, this is a robot. I actually designed this robot to stream for me, and I'm actually just talking through it. Nope. Guess that means we're rolling it again. Where's the giveaway tool? Wait, but load names. Cancel. Load names again. Here's a lesson, kids. Don't go AFK during giveaway. This is true. If you guys aren't here, we're doing a giveaway. So come on. Come on down. Anybody else? Nopal. Where's Nopal? I got Nopal. Okay. Ready? Ready to go again? Ready to go again? Let's do it again. It's What the Box giveaway time. I think I'll buy the game. Awesome. Thanks, Victor. We're giving away a key of What the Box. Thanks to Nopal in chat, who's an amazing human being. Here we go. Reroll. Who's it gonna be? Is it gonna be Nim? Is it gonna be Bramby? Is it gonna be that Zoot again? No, Aglo something. C22. Denocrit Troll. Quick Kit Kat. Epic Error. Apteki Brofrog. Brofrog? Pidden, Sinfall, Dorzai, Troll, Yanov, Slark Knight, Machination, Drugger, Omifa, Beetlecore! Boom! Beetlecore is the winner. You have 60 seconds. Beetle, say something in chat. I saw you earlier. I hope you're still here. I swear to banana, if you guys don't put away the hashtag banana hoodie, I look away for 5 seconds. Beetle Core! There it is! Congratulations! The winner is Beetle Core! Congratulations, dude. You just won a Steam key to What the Box, the one of the top selling games on Steam right now, a multiplayer shooter where you fight as cardboard boxes. Here is your Steam key. Congrats! Armagerd! Why is there so many damn banana hoodies in chat? Why is so many damn banana hoodies in chat? Sub goals at 5 out of 4. I can't see it. My other monitor got unplugged, so I can't see a thing. I can't see it. It's not a thing. It's not a thing. You did What the Box? I did not do What the Box. Daniel S&D in chat did What the Box. Daniel, say hi. Say hi. Daniel S&D is also an amazing game dev streamer. Also streams here on Twitch. Check out his channel. Twitch.tv/Daniel S&D. Streams game dev. Streams What the Box game dev. So if you're a fan of the game, you can actually watch the game being made. In fact, he made most of the game on Twitch. Zoot! Damn it, Zoot.
I think we should bring forth the hashtag banana hoodie. Come on chat, you'll love it. Kaza love.
Antimatter Tape, thank you for the cheers.
Look at me!
Who am I looking at? I don't even know who to look at. Where'd that command come from? God damn it, Zoot. You're welcome, Beetle Core. Congrats. Thank you for the cheers, Antimatter Tape. Damn it, Zoot. Thank you very much for that $1, by the way. Appreciate it very, very much. You're amazing. And also, I hate your guts. You damn jerk. Hashtag banana hoodie. I don't even, there's not even that many banana hoodies in chat, so. Shub!
For hashtag banana hoodie.
No, why would you cheer for the hoodie? No need to cheer. Thank you so much for those 500 bits. Thank you so very much. Mr. Meesings is the best. He is, Lith. He is. There's a Mr. Meesings command every 15 minutes, I think. You can summon Mr. Meesings here on the channel. Shub, thank you so much for those bits. Also, stop being a part of the propaganda. I thought we were doing Twitch integration. I thought you guys wanted to see Twitch integration. I thought you wanted to see your characters waving, which I think is the only animation we actually have. What is a banana hoodie, Blinksy? I don't know. I don't know. People just keep bringing it up. People talk about it all the time. People just talk about it all the time. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I've never seen it before. Never heard of it. Never seen it. Don't know what it is. Don't know at all. $5 dues. Yes, $5 dues indeed. So where's our Twitch guy? Want to see a banana doing Twitch integration? So you've seen a banana do so many things. You've ever seen a banana do so many things? Okay, so this is the insane animator that comes with this this asset that we're using for characters. But it does have... Wait, I thought we replaced the animator. Did we not? Pretty sure we replaced the animator, but now it's not. Yeah, they're all using base normal controller, and there's a wings controller, but I thought we remade our own animator. Do I own a banana hoodie Lycor? No, never seen one. Never seen one. Are you done with Unity 5.5 yet, Niverage? No, so I have a game out on Steam, and so it's normally pretty dangerous to upgrade your Unity because it breaks a lot of stuff. I'm not even on 5.4 because it messes up some stuff in my previous game, which is on 5.3. So I won't do 5.5 until I have enough time to upgrade the whole game. But for now, I will go to 5.5 later because it does have a lot of good, or 5.4 even, because it has a lot of good benefits for rendering 3D stuff soon. But I do need to upgrade Skyhook first. Zoo, you're equally amazed each time. Did you make those little people in Unity? These actually are part of an asset pack. They're just placeholder art. So again, we're only 19 days into the game. So most of the art is just placeholder art, which is why our toilets and walls look like crap. So just focusing on the code and the systems for now. Okay. I think we lost our animator. Let's see if we can find them. Is another thing to search things of type? Yes. Find me the animators. This is not, it's not even on the list. It's not even on the list. So actor animator, here it is. Yeah, this is what is just idle and walk. Oh, that's not it. Huh. So how are the actors animating? Actor animator. Okay. Oh, I see. I think I know what's going on. You're about to start developing a new project. Not sure if I should start 5.4 or wait for part 5.5. There's a 5.5 beta. If you're starting a new project, you should just jump into the beta now. If you're not trying to ship anytime soon, I guess it makes more sense to jump into the beta. But it's usually not that... I guess it depends on how far you get in your project in 5.4. You're probably going to want to stick to it. And if you want to do consoles or anything like that, you're going to have to stick to certain versions. So don't get too attached to the newer versions. Consoles are usually like one version behind the latest version of Unity. Basically, I got a network connection, but every time my client received a message, it just adds it and never removes it after parsing it. But that's something for tomorrow. See you, Stixie! Have a good one. Thanks for hanging out. Pretty much playable now. You've done all the code until now, or used stuff from the asset store. I've done all the code, Victor. Yeah, all the code is mine. The art is a combination of my own art, and then I bought these little guys on the asset store, and I made their own shirts and stuff. And then we bought the town in the asset store. But all the code is ours so far. Yeah. Right? Yeah. I don't think we've used anything yet. I'm considering buying some AI assets to speed up that process. So the interesting thing about trying to make a smaller game is like I could spend, I don't know, a month writing some of the AI stuff. I mean, we have most of the AI stuff down, but I want to do some. It's not very good for performance. But there's some really sweet like RTS, like load balancing AI on the asset store, which is like, damn, saves me a lot of time. This is the game you have to find. Who is the ghost to get? It's not. It's not. It's a convention tycoon game. Beta is for testing new features. Don't start a project with this one. Oh, true. Damn it, Sean. Damn it, Zoot. Damn it, Nim. Alright, tell you what. Oh, it's going to be too hard to count. Once you start development, PC is expected in 12 months, so just looking at pros and cons as you will want, get into consoles as well. Yeah, if it's consoles, I would stick to if you're considering consoles, I'll stick to the stable releases. I wouldn't go into the future beta releases because it can get finicky. Alright, here's the deal, banana jerks. Here's the deal. We'll keep the banana thing live. We'll still do banana hoodie on sub goal, which I forgot to raise, damn it. But only towards the end of the stream, because otherwise I will sweat to death and die under these lights with a banana hoodie on. So we'll do banana hoodie more toward the end of the stream. Noble! Dude! But he keeps on spaghetti. What he wrote down, the whole crowd goes spaghetti. He opens his mouth, but spaghetti won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking. Noble! Love. Thank you so very much for that 1111 spaghetti donation. Please get some love in chat. For Noble, diving in with that M&M spaghetti. Thank you so very much. Maybe you should have a counter that counts banana student, other usual hashtags and resets after a given amount of time, like hashtag train. That's a really good idea. I'm saving that. I'm going to add that to the Twitch idea doc. It's a great idea. I see on Discord that you've got rated by a lot of people. It's true. It is true, Simbi. Yeah, it was crazy. We got rated by Twitch programming, and now we have a lot of amazing, awesome new folks here. I'm going to say that idea because that is a great idea, Nim. Okay. So, let me start animating the character. You guys are making me forget where I was. But I know I have an actor animator. I know it's on the NPC. The NPC has an actor animator here. And it gets its NPC from the what? Banana hoodie, are you serious? Banana Hoodie, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the Jerk Squad. You now have access to our sub-only emotes, things like the Noseless Quasi, the Hammer Watt, the Cool Fin. You also get access to our sub-Discord where you can hang out with me, all the other jerks in the sub-family, 24 hours a day, whether you're eating, sleeping, or pooping. You also get your face, or your name rather, in the credits of any game we develop here on stream while you're still a sub, so thank you so much for being a sub. Whoever the hell you are, damn Banana Hoodie. Victor, Sky were all done by you, or I buy stuff from the asset store. The camera is on the asset store. That's pretty much the only thing. I use Pro Camera 2D, which is a really awesome 2D camera system from the asset store. But ironically, I put the time in, so I spent a month on my own camera, and people complained about it, and I was like, crap, I need like another month to fix it. People are already angry about it, and so this is after while it was in early access. So I dropped like 20 or 30 bucks on Pro Camera 2D. And it's just better than any camera I could have made with, unless I had like 3 months of time. So I thought it was totally worth it. But otherwise, yeah, I wrote all the platforming and grappling and local multiplayer and all that stuff. How much time would you take to make a game in the size of Skyhook in a team? Because I think it makes the time a very precious thing. To be honest, my personal opinion is it would take a longer in a team, because in teams you end up arguing more and discussing stuff more, and people have different opinions. One of the benefits of being solo is that my vision is the vision I get to execute on, and that vision changes a lot as I play test and I prototype. So I'm not arrogant about my vision. Where this is the game I want to make, and it's the only game I'm going to make. So I show the game to people, get their feedback, get your feedback here on stream, and then I change their vision as I get feedback about it. But I don't have to argue that feedback with someone else who has maybe different inspirations or a different objective or just different goals for the game. So the best part of being solo is you don't argue with anybody. The worst part is you got to do everything yourself, and you're lonely and you're sad. Best, much banana, much hoodie. What were the complaints about the camera you had? I had some smoothing issues. It had some boundary issues. It was mostly smoothing issues. So what would happen is I couldn't get it to work just right when a character would. It was like when a character would spawn and die at the same time, but way too far off the screen. The camera would I don't know. I couldn't get it to fit all the characters on screen at a good pace. The base, doing it the easy way is the base thing was there, but the fact that characters are spawning all over the screen at different rates caused a lot of problems. It's got a few specific things with the players. When they die, they actually go way off into the world, and so the camera would sometimes try to track them out. There was a bunch of stuff. Yes, Neville, we will do banana hoodie, but it'll be toward the end of the stream. Because again, I can't wear a hoodie in this heat. It's about 90 degrees in my room when the lights are on for the stream. So we'll do a banana hoodie, I swear. Remind me closer to the end of the stream. We'll do the banana hoodie, I swear. I swear upon the old gods and the new. I personally always thought balancing with an audience was significantly more difficult than the idea of working with a small team. It depends. I mean, you don't have to balance with an audience. I would say that's the wrong way to go about it. It's more about taking feedback from the audience and then kind of sifting through that feedback on seeing what's working, but not always just catering to the audience. You don't want to just change your game to whatever everyone's saying it should have. Most of the time when someone's playing your game and they have a suggestion for you, their suggestion isn't always a solution, but it's more that they've found a problem, so you need to kind of isolate that problem. Did you go to college? I did, yeah. I got a bachelor's in computer science. But then I didn't actually learn really how to make games in college, so I learned most of it on YouTube afterwards. I actually did a game development concentration in college, but it never actually taught us how to make games. So, school's a little bit better now, but I don't feel like I never really learned how to make a video game. Making a video game and learning how to code is very different. Two very different things. What's up with the camera delay? Good question. Did you not get a new AC unit, or am I confusing you with someone else? I did. The AC unit is in the bedroom, but it's not actually cold outside anymore, so the AC can't run while I'm streaming anyway. But the lights that I have during stream make this room about 10, 20 degrees hotter than it is normally. So right now outside it's really nice, but in here it's a sauna. YouTube greater than college degree. This is true for me. School rarely ever teaches game design unless you get into school. Yeah, the design aspect is largely lacking, I think, in game development curriculums. Usually school is very general in what it teaches. Yeah. I mean, I learned a lot of great CS fundamentals, right? I learned about really good algorithms, learned some good design patterns, I learned data structure stuff. So I'm grateful for that. I feel like you don't get a lot of that stuff from YouTube, but I also went $60,000 in debt from college, so. You need some LED lamps. Yeah, I guess I do. I mean, I have studio lamps, studio lights. I don't know if LED lamps would be bright enough. That's a good point. I'm thinking about getting maybe a ring light or ring light. I forgot what they're called, but it's less light or less heat. Okay. So how are we going to do these commands? 6,000 in debt? Yeah, and that's nothing, right? For U.S. college, that's almost nothing. Boop-a-doop-a-doo. So the problem is we're using this damn animator from... Maybe we should just change it. It's probably the fastest thing. So this is the animator from the asset, and we don't need any of this. Fly right punch? No thanks. Fly idle? No thanks. Fly damage? No thanks. Fly die. Die. Strafe with root motion. Run with root motion. Run, walk, jump. Get rid of this. Let me get rid of all of these. Melee we don't need. Left punch, crossbow shoot, spin attack, cast spell. Video about LED lights from a company that bases over on YouTube. Thanks, Nim. Appreciate it. I'll check it out after stream. LEDs are more power efficient, produce less heat, and can be brighter than other bulbs. Thanks, Antimatter. I'll look into getting some then. People can die at the convention. Now they can. Talking, digging, chopping tree, relaxing, shaking head, nodding head, waving hand. Pick up. Drink potion is actually good. Stunned, take damage. Get rid of defend. Okay. Is there anything else? I think that's good. We have relax and we have idle, right? That was idle. Oh, that's idle. Okay. I'm gonna turn off all of this. So we'll call the animation states ourselves, rather than having these crazy set of parameters. What were your tools on Sky? I mean, your first projects? Sky was made using Unity 3D. Unity 3.5 actually when I started the game, now it's at 4.3. Unity, Visual Studio, Photoshop, Pixel Edit, and Graphic Scale. You can see pretty much everything in my tools is what I use to make Skyhook. Do you teach how to program Trollcraft, or do they teach you about algorithms and something? That's a good question. Actually, I'm curious. Quasi taking out all the good parts. Sorry, Slark. Coursera. I don't know. I mean, just straight up watching YouTube videos. Like, if anybody's interested in learning game dev, like Sebastian Lage. Oh, Learn was just dropped. But Sebastian Lage's tutorials, Quill18's tutorials, Unity's built-in tutorials. I mean, they're just all so good. Everything's on cooldown, I know. Okay, so we got run, walk, jump, talking, relax, shake head, nod head, wave hand, pick up, drink potion. So I'm going to delete all these. Can I just do this? Boop-a-doop. And maybe not even... You know what? I'm going to take all this out. Pretty much we'll just call their states from code for now. Or should I just all put that under one thing? Hey Starlight, how's it going? Or should I put that all in one transition? No, whatever. Oh yeah, you know what? Because we want them to... I guess now they're not going to have any smooth transitions, but whatever. We'll worry about that later.
Yeah.
Starlight Skies, thank you for the host. Won't worry about transitions because we're going to remake this animator ourselves for the non-placeholder characters, so we'll worry about it then. Coursera's pretty good sometimes, generic or really specific, which aren't always great. It depends. Cool, I haven't seen any of it. So we have all these scripts, or all these animation states we can call now whenever we want, which is awesome. So we're going to refactor our actor animator, which is this guy. So we already have nod head, relax, walk, and picked up. So we'll add, I guess wave wasn't a thing in here, was it? Or was it? Is wave one? Yeah, wave hand. Drink potion. Jump. Talking is good. Too bad there's no dancing. I guess we'll just do something else for talking. So wave. Drink. Getting stuff done, Star? Always am. And always aren't. Also, by the way, everybody watching, if you don't know Starlight Skies, she is an amazing game dev caster as well. Check out her show. Oh, that was talk. This is also talk. Wait. What was the other one? Talk, shake head, relax, jump.
Yeah.
Jumps, talk. Banana hoodie. Thank you for the host. You damn jerk. Pick up. Oh, pick up is good. Because right now our haulers just walk up to a box and it appears in their hands. So I think pickup should just be exit time, right? You pick something up. There you go. And then you're done. You're done picking it up. Damn it, Banana Hoodie. Damn it. Starlight Skies is a girl. I'm pretty sure Starlight Skies is a pug. So I'm not sure how that works out. Where's our Banana Hoodie emote star? When we get to 100 subs. When we get to 100 subs, we're at 65 subs currently. When we get to 100 subs, we do get 2 new emotes. And of course, we'll have to get a banana emote. So if you enjoyed the show, please consider subscribing. It helps support the stream, helps support me as a caster, and it helps us get more emotes. What are you using to make this game, Ryan? We're using Unity 4.43, Unity 3D, and Visual Studio C Sharp, or C Sharp and Visual Studio.
Look at me!
When your mom gives you alcohol on a Wednesday, Stein? Yes, Star is just a pug in human form, last time I checked. So we're going to say... How do I want to call these animation states? We could set them as... Oh, we do have actor.sitting. Currently they have a bunch of bools. Oh, these are, I think, states? Current state equals actor.sitting. Cool. So we have actor states. So we'll say switch actor.current state. Generate some labels for us. So we'll say animator dot play idle, which I guess we don't have. Do you have new headphones, Stanzel? I don't, but my friend let me borrow his headphones since my headphones broke the other day. So since we have stream and headphones take a while to come, he let me borrow these headphones. Everyone sub for banana hoodie. College is necessary for a job. True, true, true. Experience and portfolio outweigh a degree. Absolutely agree, Cloud. Absolutely agree. Okay, so if idle, and then what else do we have? We're gonna do working, waving. Should waving just be like a one thing that happens? Quasi TwitchCon needs to come sooner. I know, Star. It's coming real soon. It's coming super, super, super soon. Oops. What's all about this? You should add the most important tool of your work inside your game too. The lack of coffee may be bad in conventions that last more than 2 days. This is true, Victor. We could make a coffee booth today. Wandering, sitting, working, idle. Oh, we still want this to be based on speed. So relax and run should be based on speed. So we'll say if no animator, return. Why not walk, run the same at line 16? Line 16 is here. Walk, run, walk, run, walk, run, walk, run, walk, run. What? Simple stun. Okay, we don't need to do that, and we don't need to do that. Okay, so sitting is nodding. I can't believe this asset didn't come with a sitting emote. That's super surprising. But that's all. We'll have to make our own rig for these characters. You have a coffee booth? We can make a coffee booth. We do have our new drinking animation. How is there no sitting? There's walk, wave hand, fly. There's fly, goddammit. Shake attack. There's digging. What does digging look like, I wonder? Okay, that's not sitting at all. What's dying look like? Oh, damn. There's a coffee drinking. Fly forward. Yeah, there's no sitting. No sitting. Property is run, string value is walk. Oh. Yeah, good call. Int is called run while the string is walk. That I don't understand in line 16, but I'm gonna do. No, that was just probably my mind thought run, and then my mind thought run, but it's actually walk. Yeah, thanks for catching that. How do we want to do? How do we want to do Twitch commands? Is it once you command your character, they just stop? They just do that? They just keep doing that? Probably, at least for now. So let's say we're going to take out waiting. We're going to take out picked up. I don't know when that's used. On picked up if navigation is not match. Current state equals picked up. Oh, and you get picked up. Okay, so we need that. This will be our default case. So default. Actually, we don't need this at all. And this, set bool, relax, walk. So we don't actually have those bools anymore. So this is going to be if nav velocity, square magnitude, and not actor is sitting, then relax. And this one is going to be if our velocity is greater than 0. And so these are going to be our walking animations here. So here we'll just say animator.play walk, which makes more sense than run now. Why should wear banana hoodie at our game dev panel? No, stop. Why would you do this? That we're on the same side. And then this switch statement is going to go in here. So this is if square magnetic velocity is 0, we're going to play idle. Oh, actually, these are all when you're standing still. So our default should be play idle. Picked up, we're gonna play idle for now as well. Sitting. Right now we just play the nodding animation. It's the best we really have. I have the numbers on your riddle from the vid. Don't know if it goes further than that. It's actually not my riddle, it's Zoot's riddle. So I don't know the answer to the riddle at all. So Zoot will know the answer. Animator, wandering, working. Oh yeah, oh, that's what digging could be used for. When they're building the boots. Right now they just stand still when they're building the boots. We actually use digging for that. Sweet. Talking as well. Okay, awesome. Talking could be working. Sweet. So wave hand. Okay, so we're going to put waving in here. Working, waving, dancing, and bathroom. Starlight Skies, thank you for the bits! Or the cheers! I always forget what they're called. You're awesome. Oh, forgot to put a break. So working, waving, bathroom. So if we're working, we're going to put dig. Should make something for the bits. We should. Yeah, Ethan. Definitely. Definitely got some ideas. If you have any ideas for what we can do with bits in our overlay, let me know. We have a USB power bank, a USB hub, and a couple of USB fans into the band hoodie for cooling. It's not a costume. It's just a hoodie. Quasi being confused by his jerks turning on him is one of the best things about Quasi. What? Victor! Welcome to the Jerk Squad! Victor HSB, thank you so much for hitting that sub button. Welcome to the family. You now have access to our sub-only emotes, things like the Noses Quasi, the Hammer Fin, the Cool Fin, the Hype Z. Please drop some love. Oh, and the Bearded Hearts, of course. Please drop some love in chat for Victor becoming a brand new subscriber to the channel. You also get access to our sub-only Discord where you can hang out with me and all the other subs 24 hours a day, unless we're even while we're eating, sleeping, or pooping, unless we're dead. So please come join us on Discord. Come hang out. And as long as you're a sub, when this game is released, you will get your name in the credits as well. When I said I wanted to be just like you, I was not joking. Thank you so much for that sub, dude. Welcome. Pushing our sub goal even higher today. Thank you so very much. So let's get our dig animation back in this animator. So base.digging. Digging. Need to put these guys side by side. Digging. Digging. So what's cool is digging. What's cool is now when our character is building the booth, they look like they're digging. Get to 100 star! We will, someday! Someday! Before we die, probably. All these typos. When will the game release? Wants to be in the credits. The game will release sometime in the near future. I'm not really sure when. Still too early to tell. It's only been 19 days, Hasten. Only been 19 days. Wave. Dig. If you're going to call this work, I'm going to call it dig. Screw it. Wandering is dumb. Oh, this should be wandering, I guess. Turn the sub goal to a banana hoodie goal. That's a good idea. We'll put a little banana icon next to the sub goal. How about that? Okay, so idle, idle. This should be nod. Dig, wave. Bathroom will be idle. I will do nod for bathroom as well. Should we do dig? I don't know what talking does. Could just try talking for bathroom. And default is idle. Which means if picked up... Yeah, we'll need it there for later. We're going to change it. You'll be the 69th. Nice, Einstein. It's a banana form. We convert. It is my final form. Banana hoodie is my final form. This is true. Okay, so this should work. Don't need this. Square magnitude is greater than 0, then walk. Otherwise, play one of these states. I don't know what's going to happen. Let's find out. This is the open source? Zope? No, this is going to be an actual Steam game. So the goal is to actually get this game on Greenlight soon and then release this game on Steam. So this is going to be a commercial game. Oh, I have the stupid parameters. Relax, pick up. Wait, what's wrong? This is no reference. Control base transition in any state uses parameter die, which does not exist. Okay, then. I don't see a transition for die. Oh. Huh, the die animation survived. And so did fly forward. Me and other subs that nagged you into making it will be in credits. Of course! Of course! Super Saiyan Banana Hoodie? I should download the Twitch chat log since I'm here to figure out my sub number. I think I can find out for you if you ever want to know. Okay. So cool. The animations are working. Let's give them a booth. I should nod. Oh, we need to speed up the process here. Oh, I need to see the digging. Let's put another booth down so I can see the digging. So the hauler is going to get a delivery. There's Darcy Onder. Gets a crate. Grabs the crate. Oh, we don't want idle. We want relax to be the idle state. Because look, this is their idle state. It's like battle ready. So relax is the actual idle state we want. Okay, then she's going to go deliver the booth. And now she should dig it. Dig it! Dig it! Oh, I guess working didn't work. But they're also 9 ahead. Okay, so the animator's not broken. We did fix it. Hey, Shippy, how's it going? You're using Twitch IRC. It doesn't quite work like IRC anyway. Yeah, it's not like genuine IRC. So I guess we're never actually setting the working stat. It says we are here. Station. Oh, that's station worker. Oh. So every different NPC is going to need a different working animation. Okay. So I think is building is something. Is built. Oh, is building. So we have this bool called is building for haulers. We don't want to do that. We want to say if current state equals working. That means we're building. And so is building. So we're going to say current state equals working. Or I guess it's actor.current state. Actor.current state equals working. And then here, it's back to wandering. And here, if actor.current state equals working. So rather could be booth workers? That would be cool. That's actually a really cool idea, Victor. Yeah. The ringer visitors presenting at cons in a battle. Yeah, oh yeah, let's go switch the relax thing back. That's a really cool idea. Subscribers can become NPCs in the game. That's a really cool idea. I'll think about that some more. I don't know how I would do it. I guess you have to send me a picture of you or something. And then we could build you as an NPC. It's something we would more do once the NPC build, like we have the final NPCs for the game, as opposed to like placeholder NPCs right now. But I guess we at least put you in the short list of characters to be spawned as NPCs. Instead of idle, we're gonna do relax, because idle is like a battle animation. Oh, you know what idle's good for then? Idle would be really good for bathroom. Because it looks like they're crouching down. It keeps me active on Revlo, which is kind of fun. I'm like a permanent viewer on Quasi's channel. Well, happy to have you here, Nope. ZNC Twitch TMI, what's that? Okay, so let's drop a booth. Speed it up. Okay, now the guy should start. Boom! Boom! There he goes. Built. Server Tycoon, a failed Kickstarter game, still going to be released though. I haven't, no. A new Tycoon game did just come out. Mad Games Tycoon. It's like really big on Steam right now. I've been taking a look at that. Cool. So now everybody's kind of relaxed. They're not super freaking out. But check this out. Let's wait till somebody has to go to the bathroom. Oh, we missed one. Are you going to the bathroom? What? You're just nodding your head. Oh, I never actually set the bathroom state, did I? I think I'm just saying sitting. Never actually called this. Yeah. Never actually set this to bathroom. So actor state equals sitting. Move to seat. Transform seat. I don't know if it's a bathroom. New game? I think it's quite old. Oh, it's newly released. It just released from early access on Steam, so technically it's a new release. What is the objective of the game, Master Chess? The objective of the game is to be able to grow your convention bigger and bigger and bigger until you have the biggest convention in the world. And survive, so not going bankrupt, having a well-rated convention, making your customers happy, etc. Okay, move to seats. Right now it passes a seat transform, but it doesn't know anything about whether or not it's going to a bathroom or not. It does know its current ride, though. We don't know ride started. We do know ride ended. So we call ride started. And we know our station here. Yep. We're going to start passing in our station to ride started. Station, station. And that way on ride started here, pass in our station. So when a ride starts, our actor knows what station it's starting in. Now, what do our toilets know about anything? Twitch integration is wonderful. Thanks, Hope. I appreciate that. Look at our toilet. What does our toilet know? Our toilet is a bathroom station, and its station type is bathroom. So we could do, this is kind of a hack, we can say if station dot type. Okay, gotta restart Visual Studio. Happens to the best of us. Happens to the best of us. Bathroom station. Self-aware toilets. What's up, BPG? Come on, Visual Studio. How do I enter the Discord channel, Victor? Let's see if I'll refresh the service for all the new subs. You have to integrate Discord into your Twitch account. So go to your integrations in your settings of your Discord settings. Make sure you add your Twitch account there, and then I'll refresh the servers. And usually, sometimes it takes about an hour to pick up new subs. Sometimes less, sometimes more. Okay. Where's this error coming from? There we go. Station dot type. Station type equals bathroom. Then current state equals bathroom. And when we leave a ride, ride ended. So this is kind of backwards. This should not be there. That should be here. Should make it event-oriented instead of polling each hour. Making what event-oriented, Nopal? How do we work on this game, Scorpapa? This is day 19 of Convention Tycoon. So we started working on this game for on stream, and we pretty much made all of it here on Twitch so far. So it's been 19 days. So not 19 consecutive days, but I stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so there's days off in between and weekends and stuff. Sub detection? Oh, it's a Discord thing. I have no control over it. Discord that's how Discord works. It refreshes every X amount of time. They don't give me any options to set like when it syncs and stuff. The streams are Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern to 6 p.m. Eastern. Only be online like 4 hours a day. Oh, that sucks, Victor. But yeah, they're at this time, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 3 times a week. Do the animations, or are those built in Unity? These are all part of the asset pack. So these little Minecraft characters are from an asset pack I bought on Unity. We're going to be rebuilding them ourselves in a slightly different style, but fairly similar for our actual game. You fixed the scroll, Haystein? Nice. Did it really get solved? I don't know, Zoot. Did it get solved? Is Zoot around? There's a manual sync. Yeah, I do the manual sync whenever I can if somebody asks. Thanks, Star. Yeah, hope you like the art. Okay, let's... what were we testing? Oh, bathroom. We need to see if they can use the bathroom. Come on, who wants to go to the bathroom? Who wants to go to the bathroom? You have to go to the bathroom? Why don't I have to go to the bathroom? Oh, some people just went. Is he going? Is he going? Oh, he was just going to the bathroom. Okay, we'll just run the simulation until this guy's go to the bathroom again. Headed to toilet. Okay, cool. What? Why isn't that NPC's current state bathroom? Select the indicator. Nice. A little noisy, but how can you stream all week and still pay rent? I'm so envious. I do freelance work, and I have a game on Steam, but mostly freelance work. So Tuesdays and Thursdays and weekends, I do a lot of freelance work. Where's the bathroom? So, and then, you know, being a Twitch partner helps because I can make money from being a streamer as well. One time in the bathroom at San Diego Comic Con, George Takei came in and used the urinal next to me. Can I have a similar experience in this game? Yes. If you don't have that experience in the game Techno, you can have your money back. Your current state is what? Your current state is sitting. God damn it. Wait, NPC AI also has a state? That seems like a problem. Uh-oh. If actor.current state equals working, return. And if actor.current state equals working, yeah. It's so insane from an engineering point of view. You should totally add diarrhea equals true on each NPC. How much does Sky actually earn you? Are we talking 3 digits, 4 digits, 6 digits? I'm actually allowed, I guess I'm not allowed to say. I was about to say. But Steam NDA, blah, blah, blah. Can't really say. But not that much. What is that? You're going to wear the banana suit? Damn it, Cowray! We will. A little bit later. A little bit later. Okay. So... is our actor state getting reset, possibly? Let's see when our current state is messed with. It's changed like all the time. But I don't think it's ever changed in update. Basically what I want to test is if our Twitch controller, which has a reference to an actor, how much times Skyx sold? On being a Steam developer, you can't actually talk about sales numbers and stuff like that. No, he said I can't tell you in whispers either. Can you say that Skyhook earns you enough? I can say that Skyhook does not earn me enough. I can say confidently that Skyhook does not earn me enough. How's it going with the riddle? This is a good question. Has anyone solved Zoot's riddle yet? There's a Rocket League Steam key on the line. Dragon Ball Super, nice. So let's do some little commands here. We'll say public void on wave. Animator. Oh, God damn it. Don't have a reference to the animator, do I? You know, a small thing always turns into a big thing. Private, or even what? Public actor animator. Animator. So animator equals get component. Animator. Do I have another one? Animator equals new model dot get component animator. If animator transfer get component actor animator equals animator. Oh, what the hell is this? Oh, I guess that's fine. Okay, we just say animator equals anim control. Animator equals anim control. There we go. You're a PS4 gamer? Aw, sorry, dude. Means you're busy that you can't watch Quasi TV. Aw, Jeffy, sorry to hear that. Hope it's good busy. Get component actor animator. Reference to our animator. So our actor animator, for now, we're just going to say public void on wave. Oh, I see how I was going to do it. Where we can just do it like this. Public void on wave, and we just say current state equals waving. Thanks, dude. New programmer here, just stopping to learn some new things while I study. What's up, Pickle Ninja? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Just in time to watch us work on Convention Tycoon, a game where you manage your own video game convention. So we're going to start with on wave, and we're going to start with on... I guess we'll just do on dance for now, and dance will just do working. So Twitch controller on command, switch, command, and we'll say actor. Actor equals NPCs at user. And of course we'll say if Twitch NPCs. Whoa, 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 whoa. Twitch NPCs dot contains key. Oh, I deleted a bracket. That's why it's losing its mind. Contains key. User. Then do all this crap. Use all classes in other tabs. Are all the classes of the game in the same file? Are all the classes of the game in the same file? They're mostly in separate files. Some minor classes will be in the same file. I have any examples here. But mostly every class is in a separate file, regardless of the size. So case. Oh, crap. Yeah, it's not a good way to do commands at all, but we'll just do it for now. Dance. Definitely want to make a better command system than this. This is pretty hard coded. Case dance. We'll say actor dot on dance. If we don't have a dance animation now, we'll just do the digging animation because it's hilarious. So we should do a programming learning stream. That'd be cool. Wave and wave. And watch on an Android tablet via the Twitch app. It gives me a black screen. Whoa, that's weird. You can't see my beautiful face. Okay, so let's try this. These are the commands. Guess they're not hashtags, so we'll just do them without hashtags first. You know it was on screen. Currently, I am dressed as a panda, applying peanut butter all over my monitor. No reference exception. Animator equals anim control. If anim control. Oh, I see what we need to do. Boop-a-doop-a-doo. Having a lot of problems with Twitch lately. I keep getting a white screen after a few tries the video comes in. That's weird, Sean. Okay, so let's try this out. Test. Wave. Damn it! Did I forget something? Like actually calling this method? In length less than 10 and commands that contains message to lower. Commands is this. Dance wave toilet. So let's put a breakpoint here. Why is this so big? Don't be full screen anymore. There we go. You saw a wave? You did? I didn't see a wave. You guys are crazy. Okay, message is 21. Let's continue. Continue. Let's try wave. By the way, don't forget the quick sketch. Thanks, Simbi. Okay, so I said wave. So commands is a hash set. So we step in, on command, user, quasi TV, message is wave. Break in, if contains key user. Okay, then it went to actor on wave. So it is working. Where is my guy? Wave. Oh, that's Cowray. Yeah, definitely not. They should be stopping and waving. I guess they shouldn't be. So let's put a breakpoint on wave. Probably their stat getting reset. Current state equals waving. Okay. When you set the current animation like walk before wave, it should immediately start playing wave, but it's probably just getting reset back to wave. Oh, I know what it is. Yeah, I have to stop their speed. You're right. So actor dot stop. How do I stop a person? I think it's in their AI. What do you use to program? Visual Studio and C#. They wait once they stop. Yeah. Because of the if statement for the animator, make sure they're not running at a certain speed first. So I need to stop the AI. Which... get status, set target, last targets, target seed, move to seed, right ended, right started. Get status. I wonder how to stop them. Or slow them down. Could be a time thing. So you can say public void stop moving. Float time to stop. Make it a coroutine. You might want to add your tools to the info box below your video. Oh, good idea, Nopal. I think the total lines of code written so far? I don't know. Maybe 3,000, 2,000? Maybe less. Well, it's a few hundred each one, so... yeah, maybe 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. No idea. When is a way to see total time? Or total lines. So we're going to start this coroutine. Stop for time. Time to stop. I like to have methods that call my coroutines. We're going to wait for time to stop. And what it's going to do is, I guess, do we have like a nav agent dot stop? Stop. Oh, we do. So stop. And then nav agent dot resume. Possibly. So then on wave and on dance, we can say AI dot stop moving for 5 seconds. Maybe that'll work. Okay, test. Wave. Yay! You're so cute. Oh, the dance didn't work. Oh, because I think it's the same timer? So you can't do it when you start. You have to do it after you've already come in. So their AI is definitely getting over them. So okay, here's what I need to do. Stop moving. What to say? Do next can think was time dot time plus time to stop. See you in the poke. Thanks for hanging out, dude, and thanks for being a sub. You're awesome. Teist. Dance. All right, look at that dance move. Best dance move. Really scary dance move. What language do I use, Zope? C sharp. Just C sharp. Huh. That one character seems to be stuck. So we could probably do, is it after stop for time? Set actor dot current state while wandering. Want to reset their states? What's up, Ja? Is this in an engine? This is in Unity 3D, yep. Alternate between dig and drink could be kind of funky. That's not a bad idea. Where's my guy? Quasi? Where are you? Tess? Oh, I broke the game. Hold on. Coffee is indeed magic. And dance. All right, cool. So we got starting commands. Oh, play dead. I like it, Sean. I like it. You know I have to do it now. You can see me, Karoy. Welcome back. It's good to have my face. Suicide. Damn, Master Chess. So dark. So dark. So case. So let's make a dead state. So I guess it could happen if like zombies attack the convention or something. Do I have it? Dig, drink, dead. No, okay. So private and dead. I believe the animation was called, I think it's dead, or does it die? It's die. So we actually don't want to do this anymore. We're just going to say on state or on specials on Twitch state, just so it's specific to Twitch stuff. What about puke and sit? Yeah, we'll have to animate all that stuff ourselves. We actually don't have any animation set up for stuff like that. Actor state, new state. So now here we can just call actor.dance, actor.wave, actor dot play dead or die. And we don't yet have any actual like sending your NPC to do stuff. I guess we could. You need to embrace the chaos. I learned my lesson from my previous game, which was pretty embraced in chaos. Pretty embraced in chaos. Ooh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Send help. Oh, it loops. The animation keeps looping while you're dead. Let's fix that. So die should be a non-looping animation. Motion is die. which you can't change. Speed 1, multiplier, mirror. I guess I don't know how. I guess I thought it was like 2D, but it's not. So I guess die should just. Whoa. Visual Studio is trying to open a 3D model. Well, now you guys know what the character looks like. If I can bring it over, I can't. So this die should, on exit. So look what Visual Studio did because I double clicked on that model. Come on! It's chugging. It's chugging. It's your favorite. How about a cheer? Thanks, Shub! How about a cheer for cheer 1? Did Visual Studio go away? So we're going to put give die in exit state. See when you're done, go back to idle. Wait, don't want it to go back to idle. I want it to just stay. How do you not make something loop? How do you make it not loop? How do you make a 3D animation not loop? Oh, I know how. In the import settings. Right. In the import settings for the animation, it's here. Okay. Loop is not checked. So why is it called more than once? What Visual Studio do you have? Which is your favorite? Just the most recent one. I think it's like 2015 or whatever. So whatever is the most recent one is usually my favorite one. I don't know why this is looping. Loop time is not checked. You can also loop in the state machine. It's not set to. Doesn't have any exit stuff. Do you play Pokemon Go? I used to. I don't play anymore. We can also set a custom time here. So flow time to perform is 5 by default. And so we'll call for dead, you'll just be dead for, I don't know, 30 seconds. Overwatch is calling. See you, Lycor! Is only the one we want Overwatch? We do. You'll probably kick my butt, though. Team Instinct? This is awkward. So it keeps resetting itself. Let's go look at that NPC. So here at the haulers, the second one should have been me. Yep, that's Quasi TV. He's trying to die. Let's see, his current, those are his stats. His actor state is dead. Wait, so now it's working. Everyone's staying dead. Stats continue to loop until you change the state. Oftentimes you have to have a dying and dead state, so the dying animation finishes. You have a single frame for dead that plays over and over until you change the state. Huh. It seems to be the states fighting with each other. Weird. Here's some of the unique icons out of the Twitch one, Kyra. That's a good idea. That's true, yeah. You have a red hat? You do. It's pretty sweet, like Valkyrie hat. So it works okay for the first part, but I think it's when you first spawn that it doesn't work well. Should be hovering above the ground with a halo around his head. Huh. Yeah, it's mainly the problem when you first start out. If you die a second time, you're fine. It's better to use polymorphism of the states. That way, you'll switch cases in you more easily since they all do is on action. Yeah, no, you're absolutely right, Rick. I was trying to do it quick and dirty to get it working. You ended up taking forever and not being quick and dirty. But you're absolutely right. They should have different states, and each state handles the animations and stuff differently, as opposed to having like thousands of switch statements. Do you have collision avoidance to prevent multiple characters from occupying the same space? Yeah, but I made their colliders really small because there's not a lot of space for them to walk around in. With pathfinding tool, right now it's just the Unity built-in nav mesh, nav agents, like all the built-in Unity AI. We haven't had a chance to actually start rewriting our AI yet, or rather pathfinding yet, because I want to get the main game systems in there first. Because we know how the pathfinding is going to work. It's just going to be a star. It's going to be based on the boots and stuff. Hey Pearson, how's it going? Check out that guy. He yummy? Who's yummy? Sup? One of the NPCs will get worried if. Oh my God! I put a pizza shop on top of Rick's head. I spawned a pizza shop right on your head, Rick. I'm so sorry. Oh, you're fine. Is chat walking around? It is, yeah. Do you know how to write a star, or are you just going to use Unity add-on? Did I write A star? Yeah, I used A star for Skyhook. It was a 2D platform, but it's A star's the same in both of them. What I'm gonna have a lot of trouble figuring out is how to do like real, genuine AI for them, like making decisions and walking around and stuff. Why is everybody standing around? Oh, everyone's waiting in line for the one thing you can do at this convention. Everyone's waiting for a pizza. Like, wait, I want a pizza. I'm gonna go pizza. You go next. I'll get pizza. You get next. I'll get next. I didn't realize when they stop, they should look at the place they're trying to go to. I'm not sure if that's necessarily the case. Because sometimes they stop and they look away from something. So let's go check that. NPC AI. Stop. This is in the seat, and if the seat's not occupied, if target seat occupied, waiting is true, chance to rotate, look rotation, target. So it does look at the booth. Target seat, look rotation. Vector through forward. I think it should be minus. Do rotate quaternion. End value should be the opposite of the seats forward facing. For my Twitch baby, can I get a custom jester hat wearing NPC? For your name? Like, we'll have to figure out how to do something like that, yeah. Like, actually have custom NPCs per character. I want to do an NPC builder, but I want to wait until we have our own assets. So we're not committed to everyone's characters looking one way. Petition food drink companies to grant space on implementing boots for the game. That'd be awesome. So let's try that again. Because for some reason with the pizza shop, they look at it the right way, but with boots... with beanbag chairs, look at it the wrong way. Yeah, so now they're all looking at the wrong way. So minus was wrong. They're all facing forward. They should be facing... Oh, I see what it is. I'm doing do rotate quaternion. I'm telling them to look at... When the target is occupied, I'm telling them to face the same direction as the booth. What they should be doing is looking at the booth. What are the stars? Stars? What stars? Do look at... Okay, so let's put that code back because I forgot what it was. There we go. So you want to look at this. Do look at the target seat. Transform. Dot position. Oh, okay. Hold on. So do look at quaternion.look rotation. Vector 3 towards. So it's do look at transform.look at. No. How the hell do you use do look at? What's with the headbanging booth, guys? That's all they know how to do. When you're in play mode at the top left, there are 4 stars. Oh! That's going to be the average rating of your convention. So depending on how your guests are enjoying the convention and your developers are enjoying the convention, your rating will go up or down. It's also how high it is for the police to come and send the FBI. So I want you to look at... Actually, we'll just do transform. Look at target seat dot position. Oh, just target seat. Takes a transform, right? Oh, this is not transform. What school did you go to learn to code? I went to university for computer science. I went to Stony Brook University. But I learned a lot of my game dev related stuff just straight off of YouTube and documentation. What were we testing again? Oh yeah. Standing around booths. Pizza shop. Booth. I don't know why there's this blue triangle around the pizza shop. That's a bug. Oh, I see. The headbanging. That's what you were talking about? Oops. 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 How long work on this project game object? 19 days exactly. Today's day 19. So there. Oops. Okay, so essentially we want a large crowd, so we get that going. Alright, cool. So you can see now when people crowd around a booth, they actually look at the booth. Before they were looking in the wrong direction. So now when they crowd, like these guys are watching this booth, they're actually staring at the booth that they want to watch. Okay, cool. Let's fix the headbanging. I think we're just going to give a different actor state. So there's working, and then we have to be talking. And in the animator, of talking. Okay, cool. Let's put a booth down. So here's Camel Entertainment, or Camel Multimedia. Here's Blizzard Entertainment. Speed up time. What? Oh, damn it. I forgot to replace that. I think it's called... Are they just regular NPCs? Yeah, I guess they are. Working. See where this is set. Actor at current state equals working for a hauler. Station worker. So this should not be working. This should be talking. Pants your dance off. Dance your pants off. Why am I not listening to What's Up, Banana Hoodie? Do something with feet. Why am I not listening to myself? Sorry. They're not that intelligent. Here's Swallow Multimedia and Google. There we go. Now they're talking to people. That's great. Instead of looking at their headbanging, they're just talking all the time. And we could even make them later on only talk when people are sitting at their booths and stuff. A full bash command line. Nice. That's awesome. And a couple people died. All right. With that, I am going to run and grab some water, use the bathroom, take a short break. I will be back in less than 17 hours, but more likely in about 2 or 3 minutes. Back in a sec. Don't go anywhere. Feel free to use your commands while you're hanging out. Die, wave, and dance to see your character in the game. Back in 2 minutes. All right. I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. What's up, guys? Uh-oh. Car alarm. Whoa, there's a lot of stuff going on in this booth, in this convention. Dance doesn't seem to work anymore. It looks like there was a null reference exception, which is why. Whoa. Whoa. A lot of twitchers. A lot of tweeters. Are they in the porn business? I do want to do porn DLC for this game someday. So you can have your own porn convention. About the bash mentioning earlier, Windows 10 update actually adds Ubuntu into Windows 10. Are you serious? That's super cool. I didn't know that was happening. Only can you play something. Okay, so if navagent.has navmesh, I've done this before. Something like if navagent. I think it's just has path. Oh, is on navmesh. So you can't call this if you're not on the navmesh, which I guess sometimes is just the case. Oh, it's when I spawn you guys and you guys do a command at the same time, it calls an error. It has an error. Glory to Aristotska, indeed, Silencer! Greatest country in all the land. You been to an erotic convention once? Oh man, you could be a good reference point then. Alright, let's test. Die. Okay. Okay, we're back. Alright, what's our next actual important thing we need to work on for the game? Oh, actually, before we get started on the next feature, I promised a few jerks that we do something a little new today. Something called speed sketches. So if you guys haven't been on the show before, we like to do drawings every now and again for fun. So I'm going to open up a canvas here. I'm going to count on you guys to say random, I don't know, animals or characters or, you know, anime characters or cartoon characters or whatever in chat. And I will draw them in, oh, excuse me, camera, come back over here. And we'll draw them in 30 seconds. Just as a little, you know, short break from coding till we get back to the regular game. So let's say speed, oh, that's a pixel art brush. Speed, hashtag speed sketches. So let's see what we got. Baby Quasi. Okay. Baby Quasi. It's Baby Quasi. It's Baby Quasi. Awato. Finn the Human. By Ubuntu? Ubuntu? How do you draw Ubuntu? Just draw a penguin? Baby Quasi. Baby Quasi. He's just the cutest baby you'd ever seen. And then he's wrapped up. Because that's what you do with babies. You wrap them up. And you put them in bundles. Baby Quasi. He's got a headset. Okay, what else do I see? Mr. Krabs! Oh man, what does Mr. Krabs look like? He's kind of like... he's got a belt, I know. I think he's got a mouth. And I think he's got, like, snail eyeballs. I think these are his eye holes. Something like that. He's got pincers. It's all without reference. And he's got peg legs. I know, 2 peg legs. And his little nose? Does he have a mustache like that? I don't know. A popcorn monster? I am popcorn monster. That's actually a real thing. You know that, right? If you swallow a popcorn kernel, then the popcorn monster will grow in your stomach and take over. Popcorn monster. A scuba watto? We've already drawn that before. A horse with ducks for feet. Horse with duck for feet. A sloth. Okay, horse. Horse horses look like they have ears. And it's a scary clown. A tuba with tentacles? What's a tuba? Oh, the instrument? I actually don't know what a horse looks like. I've never seen a horse before. It's my first time. Why are you so good at this? Homar, lots of practice. Just a lot of drawing. These are actually relatively bad, but we're just doing speed sketches for fun. Just to kind of refresh my programming brain. So horse. Horse. And it's got a horse body and running out of space. Move over, Quasi baby. Horse body. And it's got... Wait, let's do the front of the horse first. Oh wait, is it both the feet ducks? There's only one of the feet ducks, because then this will be a wing. And then this will be a duck fleet. Is that Krito? This is Photoshop. So for anyone just tuning in, we're just taking a short break from programming to refresh our brains, and then we're going to get back into Convention Tycoon. Horse with ducks for feet. Is this cool sketch time, RoboDuck? Nope, just a little break. Speed sketches. So for anyone who's old to the show, we're not doing cooldown sketches anymore. And so we're doing speed sketches just for a little bit of fun. What else did I miss? That horse looks angry. He's angry that he's half duck. What's a tuba? You mean the instrument, right? Oh, no worries, Petek. A tuba. What did you say? A tuba with tentacles and wings? I don't even know what to... What? What? What's up, Black Soups? How's it going? Just in time to see a tuba with tentacles and wings. Is mayonnaise an instrument? Well, I know a tentacle tuba isn't. Like a bunch of stuff that happens inside the tuba. And, it also has tentacles. Mickey Mouse? I'm not gonna get sued. I'll draw Makimos. This is Makimos. He's a gangster mouse. He's the gangster mouse from the rejected Disney series, The Mouse Wire. This is Mackie Mouse. Cthulhu Deaf, that would be so cool. So it's regular Cthulhu? Okay. Hashtag Mackie Mouse. Why'd you get sued? Ah, it was just a joke. 'Cause like Disney sues everyone. Hashtag banana hoodie, damn it, Zoot! It's not time. It's not time. So someone said to draw Cthulhu. Hashtag banana hoodie. The new Windows Bash is actually Linux. That's crazy, right? I'm surprised they did that. I guess it makes sense. People have wanted it for a while. 5, 6. A squid with forks for tentacles. Okay, that's gonna be the last one. A squid. Squids are these things, right? You say forks or sporks? Forks. A squid with forks for tentacles. Squid is eating the popcorn. Yeah, that's why he's screaming in pain. And this whole scene is actually underwater. You guys picked a lot of aquatic creatures. Alright. There is our speed sketches. Let's get back to work. So last time on Dragon Ball Z, we worked on a bunch of Slate Twitch integrations. Draw Dat Boy? You mean me? I'm that boy. Thought I was that boy. Isn't Mackie Mouse that boy? Okay, so we had some actual Twitch integration stuff. Let's look at actual feature sets that we need to get to. We need to look at panel creation as a thing. You're in the game, Tom. You are. Cthulhu looks like Dunk Zoidberg. Yeah, that was on purpose. Because Zoidberg is Cthulhu, don't you? Didn't you know that? Could work on this menu, which you really don't want to work on. Because it's kind of boring. So we could work on the panels. I don't think they show up here anymore, right? Yeah. So one of the major items in the game are panels. And the way I'm thinking panels are going to work is you put them down. So you can say put one in this bathroom. And then you choose what talks and stuff are going to be in that panel. So let's see how we can do something like that. A panel, this is our 10x12 panel, is an item. So I think we can add it to our item button. Current buttons. Where does it get its array of stuff from? Oh, resources folder. Right. So 10x12 panel should be an item. You want to solve the riddle suit? Did you make it too hard? I don't know. Maybe. How does one undie? You have to wait 30 seconds once you die. So panel is not showing up here. I wonder why that is. Oh, because it's not a station, it's an item? Is that why? Pizza station is a shop. Beanbag chair is a rest station. Ball pit is a station. Oh, wait, it didn't even go in. Oh, we're in the wrong place. So a 10x12 panel is no longer an item. It's a... what do I want to call them? Like a timed station? A show. Show station. You got all three parts? Nope, but you don't have to decode them. Okay. So someone's made some progress. Ball pit. That's right, Narwhal. There's definitely a ball pit in this game. So a show station is a station. I think it might technically be a booth. Let's take a look at what booths do. Booths just set vendors. Okay, it's not a booth. It's just a station. Okay, needs to be built. Here's the info. 10x12 panel. Whatever, price 500. Stats, I don't care about that. Sprites, available items, I don't care about that. Station type, we'll do booth for now. All right. Can you watch the stream, Senkirk? Sure, if you want to. You don't have to, though. Is it a jackal? It's a jackal. We're 18 hours away from a Sky giveaway? No way! Oh my goodness! That's awesome. But why, Sunkirk? Why? You're not ready. You're not ready. 1789 to be explicit. Oh my god, that's awesome. So yeah, when this bar hits $100, we will do a giveaway for Skyhook on Steam. Computer is chugging. Why is it chugging? Probably because Photoshop is open. There we go. Probably because... Oh, actually... 1 second. Nope, there we go. Awkward. Who is Banana Hoodie? I don't know. I don't know why everyone keeps saying it. It's weird. Really weird. I should make it so if you say Banana Hoodie, your character just dies instantly. You donate 11.11% to the Sky giveaway. You did? Nope. Thanks so much for that. Okay. Show panels. Item 10x12 panel. This is a panel. You can see they're made for our old characters, so we have to reset how this works. So our characters used to be little cube guys. They're not any cube guys anymore. Let's go in here. You're living in a house, Dunkirk? Nice. I'm living in a shoebox. So get rid of the dev, get rid of the dev, get rid of the dev, get rid of the dev. Here's our booth area. There's all these chairs. Guess we get rid of the chairs for now. Get rid of this quad. Get rid of this quad. Do we even need any of this anymore? I guess we need the label just for now so you can see the surrounding area. Keep the table, okay? This is a panel, and so we're going to have post-build props. UI, or sorry, create empty. So it's going to copy some stuff from the booth. First of all, we need a dev locator, tables, and chairs. So these are interaction points. So definitely want these. I don't know why the scale is messed up. 1, 1, 1. 0. 180. You're moving to a shoebox too. There is door in the house. Nice. Damn, you have a door. You must be rich. Doors are rare these days. So for now, we're just going to have a panel with one chair. So we're going to just prototype this. We're also going to need dev locators. And they're going to go here, here, and here, and here. Dev locators are normally at height of this for whatever reason. Oh, I don't want to do that. As long as we put on Windows 10. Nice, dude. I said it would make no sense a week ago. But now you're living the dream. This is going to be a panel. I guess it doesn't really need to be built. No, I guess it... I don't know, worry about that later. It's going to need like a screen and all that kind of stuff too. So let's put a cube in here. We're going to call this empty post build. These are all the things that get delivered. Probably end up putting the chairs and stuff. I don't know. For now, I'll just put a big giant screen. Because every good panel needs a good screen in the back to play a slideshow. That'll be our post-build props for the panel. So post-build props is what gets activated after a thing gets built. Using a mobile phone to watch streams, Sunkirk? Cool. Is my face really tiny? So there we go. I spawn a panel, and then these are our panelists, and they're coming to sit down. And the problem is they can't get to it because there's no walkable area. So that's interesting. So if we make the nav mesh obstacle, hell, if we turn it off even. If we just make it the table, I guess, like the one place you can't really walk. Like this area. Okay, so if we go to our panel, boop. There they go. Doing their thing. Oh, hello, hello, I'm a panelist. Oh, hello. There's very important things we're talking about. There's very important things, you see. There's a thing and a thing. Thing and a thing and a thing. And now one person can watch this panel. Like this guy with a pitchfork. So that's not how panels are actually going to work in the game. We're going to do them a little bit differently. You're going to design them, you're going to choose the times for them, and then they're going to happen. But for now, you know, for this prototype, we're just getting the base systems, the base like prop set up. Developers are God because they create new worlds they want. This is true. If that's the case, then is our real life just a game? Is real life just a game, Sen? Okay, again, panel, boop. Everything you do looks godly to me. Thanks, Silencer. It's not. Once you do it, it's all just, you know, stuff you practice. Matrix confirmed. Once you guys get started, you'll be able to do it too. Hey, is my bloom turned off? It is. Not my bloom, my subsurface scattering. Flint Steel, what's up, dude? Okay. So basically what I'm thinking about doing, you can draw this no matter what, you'll always beat me at that. You can learn to draw. Anyone can draw. Everybody poops, everybody can draw. So my idea is that the way a panel is going to work is going to be a very different beast. And that's how panels, concerts, tournaments, any kind of show is going to work. I'm not 100% sure about it yet, but this is what I'm thinking so far. Why that? Oh, it only took like a second to build. It should take more time. Panels have to be clicked on, and they'll bring up their own special UI. About to head home. See you, Strife Corpse. Have a good one. Thanks for hanging out. They'll have their own little UI, which will allow you to just set, like, it'll be like day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, or like day 1, day 2, day 3, depending on how many days your convention is. And then it'll just be a list, and you could just like add to it. So let's draw it out. Just so we get a better idea of what I'm trying to make. And I get a better idea of what I'm trying to make. So, boop-a-doo, boop-a-dee-boo. Okay. So I'm thinking that you click on a panel, right? So panels are in the world, so stages with chairs and blah, 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 blah. So you click on it, and you essentially get a special window. This is like the show editor. And you can set the panel name. So it's like the name here. You can edit it. Or maybe you could edit the name of every ride in the game. Draw it out. Indeed, Flint, indeed. So it'll be like day 1. So it'll be similar to other UIs. So, you know, it feels the same. So day 1, day 2, etc. That's how you plan out day 3. How do you draw straight? I'm using in Photoshop. If you hold Shift, it automatically draws straight for you. And if you hold shift between 2 points, it draws a straight diagonal for you. Is it a graphics tablet? It is. And then so here there's going to be... And this is, I guess, making a Tycoon game helps that I used to be a UI designer for a web company. So you hit plus to make a new one. So the last option is always the add a new button. Right? Or add a new... Or add... Talk, add panel... something. Question is, how do you edit the actual panels? I guess when you hit plus... What is a panel? Do you want to have to name every panel? It seems like a lot, right? Players probably don't want to do it. It'll probably let them do it. Maybe it generates the name, right? So name. And then all it really is... Oh, and then it's like time and guests. Or not, I'm sorry. Genres and guests. So you'll have to add genres to it. So you're like genre... I guess for now we'll just do one genre. We'll just make it a drop down. Probably do it as a tag system later. Is it FTL music? It is, yeah. And then it'll have your guests here. And then you could have up to 3 guests or X guests depending on the panel. And then guests cost a certain amount of money, I guess. Now this could open up the invite guest UI. Which is going to be the same as the first one. So it's going to be like guests. And then you can find all the guests to invite. It shows you their information and you can be like invite. And then they appear here. So this opens up that. You could choose which guests you want to invite by reading through their stats and their costs and stuff. Is this game like The Sims? It's more like Roller Coaster Tycoon and those kind of games. It's a little bit less like The Sims. We're not really managing someone's life. You're managing everyone's lives. So this could be... Yeah, let's do one genre for now. And the name could just be dynamically generated, I guess. Yeah, and so when you match, you know, your guest with the genre, or you want to match your guest with the genre or something, and then this, so this goes to that, and then this appears here, or this could just even be in this window. Will it play when it's done, Lord? Of course, yeah. The goal is to release this game on Steam. So yeah, here I'll say name, genre, and guests, and then time. And maybe you can drag and drop these. I'm not really sure about that, if that's necessary yet. So let's start with at least opening up a special. So it's like, oh, this is not too bad. It's gonna be pretty easy. The only thing is we have to code every single part of it. So let's start by just opening up a special window when you click on a panel. So let's see what currently happens. When you currently click on a panel, move the screen out of the way. So my drawing tablet's actually my monitor as well, which is why you see it appear in front of my face sometimes. So when you click on a panel, opens up this window. Been here 5 minutes and I've already fallen in love with it. Awesome, Lord, thank you. I can't wait. Hopefully more people like the game as well and want to get it when it comes out. So it opens up the actor details panel. So let's go see where that comes from. I think it's from our UI controller. There's way too much stuff open. So our UI controller has a current detail view. And it's called, we call on select detail. And it's some item. And it says on click on an item. And I believe stations are items. Yeah, awesome. So I'm going to make on click a virtual method. And on selected gets called. Cool. The bathrooms don't have sinks or doors and it's unisex. What is this madness? It's prototype madness. It's the madness of a prototype. Madness? This is Quasi. Okay. So we're going to override this method in... What were we just making? A show station. So override public void on click. We're going to override it. And we're going to say UI on select details. We're not going to do that. On deselect detail. Current detail view. Set item view. Okay. So public void on select show. Because shows have special UI. See some magic? I don't need a magic trick. Wash your hands in the toilet, and who needs doors? Exactly, Silent Turn gets it. Are you giving away one copy of Skyhook, Tom? We are, yeah, during the giveaway. So every $100 raised on the channel, we give away a copy of the game. Okay, so let's make our UI now. So we can start with our Hughes actor details. But I think what makes more sense actually is this staff view. And we're slowly starting to generate the idea for what we would need for a generic UI. Like a generic tab UI, right? So this is going to be called our show view. Make that into a fresh new prefab. And it's going to have 3 tabs. So I'm starting to see that these things need X number of tabs generated. Problem is the tabs do different things, and I guess for that, I'm not sure what we'll do. For now, we even just get rid of the other tabs. Work one at a time. Watching Quasi makes you depressed at how fast you work. So I'm sorry, game object. That just means you gotta get faster, man. The more you work, the faster you'll get. Is this a VR game? It's a regular human game. No VR. This higher button. The only reason I've gotten faster is just by, I do this a lot. Like a lot. Add. New. Or even just a plus button at the bottom. Then we have our viewport again, except we don't want to do employee listing tab. We want to do some kind of listing tab, but not employee listing tab. Staff tab view, don't want to do that either. Although we pretty much do. Right, I think we can get rid of this class. Like, this should pretty much happen in tab view. What's in the box looks silly? I know, it's awesome. It's silly and awesome. VR management game, yeah, I'd probably vomit. Regular human game as opposed to all those weird animal VR games. Exactly. See, you get me. You get me. So if we just take this tab holder thing, or not even, we just get the first child. Yeah. So let's just say transform tab holder equals transform.getChild 0. What should you play? You should play What the Box then. It's a brand new game created by Daniel S&D. Base awake tab holder. Okay. So this class is basically useless. Goodbye. Just delete it all together. So staff tab view is totally useless. Should just be a tab view. Same with this one. The silencer is a TF2 player confirmed. Okay, and so our idea is this is also a show station detail view. Because we need some methods for our buttons to call. So public void add station is Unreal easy to learn compared to Unity. They're both easy and they're both hard in their own ways. I would say just pick one and kind of run with it. Otherwise you'll be stuck deciding between the two for a long time. I know because I was there a while myself. Public void add station right now will do nothing. So our big plus button down here is add. We'll call show view add station. Okay, so it looks like I'm in a little white box over here. We need to have this thing. You click a button, and what happens in our drawing? Just pick one and run with it. Also works when comparing knives and scissors. That's true. That's true. I mean, you gotta run with either one or the other. Knives or scissors, both pretty good to get you where you gotta go. So maybe these could just be always editable. We also want to see how a panel is doing too. So I think panels are gonna need like a base window where you see like how the panel's been doing. Are people going to it? Are people happy with it? What its overall rating is? And then you can click to edit the panel. So I mean, we'll just start with editing the panel window because the other ones will be more generic to all of our other booths and stations and boots and pants and boots and pants. Glory to Aristatska! If where you've got to go is the emergency room, then yes, they will get you there. What's up, your kid? But now, here's a question, guys. Can you change a panel once you've scheduled it? I suppose not, right? Like, if a panel is going, what's going on? We are working on Convention Tycoon, a game where you manage your own video game convention. Oh, no reference exception. On tab view, tabs.i.show. Show tab. Tab. This is being called before this? How's that possible? Await goes first, damn it! Await goes first! Maybe it's because this is serialized? Flashing numbers make tiny brain hurt. Still no reference. Can I not click on things anymore? I can still see the ball pit. Still click on actors. Can I see my staff? No, the staff is what's broken. Which is on the show view. Tab at I.show. I guess we can just say if tabs at I equals null, continue. The tab's not getting set up right. I guess we do want to serialize this so I can check. Boop-a-doop-a-doos. Here is our staff view. You know, a disease that everyone gets to take home with them. Will the game have a disease? Yes. It'll definitely be a con pox you can get from the game. 100%. Tabs are there. Well, no reference this time. Oh, I know what it is. The staff button is no longer assigned. Because I changed the tab prefab. So staff view. Tab view, toggle. There we go. Zood, give us a hint. It is time for hint. Is cringe meter going to be a thing, Jeffy? I think it should. I think it's just, it's so fitting with the culture, right? I think it should. I think maybe this star thing is really a cringe meter. Maybe that can be an overall bar of how happy your employees are. I mean, your customers are. Will you sell did worn at the convention? Deodorant. Will you sell deodorant at the convention? Do conventions usually sell deodorant? I know at PAX we gave out deodorant, but I'm not sure if they actually sell them. But there should be a. Uh-oh. There should be a. What's the word? Like hygiene stat or something. Combine the 3 sequences in the correct order. Okay. So tabs need to know their view. Which means the tab view needs to set the view for the tabs. So tab, make this guy public. So every time a tab view finds a tab, we want to say tabs.i.view equals this tab view. That's what we use to hide and show the tabs. Should be a guy running around selling people and handing out free deodorant to those who need it. That'd be an awesome job. Like an awesome job for one of the employees. Sell deodorant. Something wrong with our setup? Staff tab, staff tab, staff tab. Oh, it's because there's more children. I see. Other children inside staff view. Or you know what we should do it the other way. This way we can build it however we want. We say tab, tab, tab equals tab holder get child get component I, and then if tab exists, then we do this crap. So it's always good to make sure the component you get from something exists before you try to assign to it. Will there be a first person where the player can walk into the convention visitor? You know what, Testinator? That's a really good idea. Such a good idea that I'm going to do it right now. Wait, don't look. Don't look. I'm working on it. I'm typing it. I'm typing it. I'm typing it. I'm typing it. And done. Whoop, whoop, wrong button. Done. What do you think? I'm supporting already. I'm giving it all I got, Captain. Giving it all I got. Thanks, dude. I appreciate your support, dude. You've been a huge supporter of the stream. And here I thought you were just a jerk. So let's put some panels down. And we'll put a Mujang booth down. And a Galago Limited booth down. And then we can watch it from the eyes of the beholders in super speed. Oh, I'm in someone's head. Excuse me, sir. I guess I'm going to the bathroom. Hello, toilet. Hello, Mr. Toilet. Am I using the bathroom right now? Oh my god, I think he is. Oh, he is. He was using the bathroom. Creep on the dudes in the bathroom in first person. I just did. Yeah, I was the dude in the bathroom. Always be the non-sub jerk. No worries, Simby. That's like Zutekun, right? Oh, everyone's back here behind the booth where they shouldn't be. I'm jammed inside this guy's head. That's uncomfortable and awkward. Oh, are you guys enjoying this panel these guys are giving? Wow, that guy's got a purple beard. That looks stupid. Whoa, is that guy a wolf? Look at this guy. Demanio Gartshore. He's dressed like a wolf. Move him over here. Pick up. Looks like a wolf. Or it's a dragon or something, I guess. Or a unicorn. Are they the creators of Cowcraft? Oh my god, that's brilliant. Purple bears are overrated. Corporal and awkward. Sounds like a game convention to me. Okay. A couple things. Our panel prefab has that annoying Booth area, which I guess we don't need anymore. I think it gets assigned by code. Yeah, the blue box is created by code, so you know if you're overlapping with something. It should go away after you place it. I don't know why that's not working. How do you generate all the cool looking people? So I bought this asset pack. It's called Little Heroes Mega Pack. And so I loaded all those into my resources folder. So here under prefabs, you can see they're separated by accessories, baskets, beards, crowns, hats, headbands, helmets, magic, etc. Body types, female, male, which we actually don't do any gendering, so everyone's just mixed female or male. Hair, again, female, male. These are a bunch of pre-made cosplay characters. There are a bunch of pre-made fantasy characters in the asset pack that I use as my cosplay. And then all these weapons. So I created this class called the Character Creator, which basically, on start, loads up all the prefabs from those folders. So I assign the directories or whatever, right? So it loads up lists of all the hair, base, heads, etc., etc., etc. And then it runs this method called generate character, which has a bunch of variables. It randomly decides there's a chance. Do they have hair? Do they have a hat? Do they have a beard? And it just rolls a dice. And if it's true, if they're doing cosplay, it's depending on those booleans, it'll choose which libraries to take pieces from. And then finally, it takes a base body part, which is either like a male or female and a skin color. And then it puts them, and it takes, there's a lot of joints around the characters, and it attaches the hats and the beards to those joints. The game where people wear anything no matter their gender, Tumblr will love this game. Goes to type by accident, now I have to watch an ad and I feel stupid. Oh, silencer, you can't hear me, but we love you. The game's not realistic enough, needs more furries. That's true, there's very little furries in the game. So yeah. You also have the ability to add wings, weapons, and other and right arm weapons. But I'm not doing that yet just because it seems like a lot of work. I still don't know if we're going to use these. I still don't want to use these assets in the final game. I'm torn. They look great, but if another game uses them, then we kind of lose our visual appeal. So I do want to make my own character assets. But so much work for one man. So much work for one man. Alright, back to booths. So, UI controller. Let's close everything but our booth, our show tab. Show station detail view. Close all but this. Show station. And UI controller. We have a current detail view. We want to have a show station detail view, which I don't know what it's supposed to be. What does a detail view do? Status, stats, activity, yeah. It's a tab view. There should be a tab view as well. Here's the numbers for Zeus Challenge? Sure, Titan, yeah. You don't have to ask about that. It's not a link, right? Show station view. You mean the slave outfit? Yeah, there will be no Leia slave outfits in my game. Sorry. Sorry. So you deselect any other items you have selected, and you select current station dot show. We're actually going to have to set the item and stuff, but for now, one station. Oops. Forgot to actually set this stuff. So UI controller up here, starting panel, not you, staff view, not you, show view. You're the culprit. So canvas, UI controller, show view goes there. So we're going to call this show station detail view. It's going to need a private show station, current station, public void, show, not show. What do we use for the other, for detail view? Set item, I guess we'll just do. Set show. Or for our own USSC, I use these programs. Unity 3D, C# with Visual Studio, Photoshop, Pixel Edit, and Maya. Videos are nice and smooth. It almost looks like a Sharpie. Thanks, Alpaca. Is my mouth offset? Like a little bit? Yep, I think. You! Damn you, OBS! Why do you do this to me? So current station equals station. Okay, fine. And so we'll say we have a title, I believe, as a tab view. There's a UI window. Do we have a set title method that we created the other day? No. Really should. So we should have a protected void set title string new title. And it says if title exists, title.text was new title. So when we set our show, we're going to call set title station.item name. So by the very least, our new station view with nothing inside of it, or show view, this window, the name at the top should at least show the name of the station we're clicking on. Which really should just be, I feel like on, let's see, tab view UI window has a set title. If you look on awake, we should say title equals game object dot find child, or I guess it's transform dot find child. Find child, the name of the title. Dot get, oops. So we could say transform title transform equals this, and if title transform, then title equals title transform dot get component title. And now we need Unity UI. Oh, get component text, not title. You're Rocket League, but I'll end up giving it to someone. Nice, Jeffy. Wait, did you get it? Did somebody win? You can't solve it, Tom? It's not easy. Definitely not easy. Okay. Put the panel down, click it, and god damn it! It didn't work! Alright, wait just a second, guys. Alright, that feels a lot better. Sorry, I was feeling a little cold, so thought I might warm myself up a little bit. Whoa, 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 what's happening to my, dropping some frames there real quick. Too much yellow. Oh, can't, this is not on straight. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's make a Discord and solve this. Alright, so. I guess you guys can't see that. We are trying to get the show station view to show when something is a show station. Now override on click didn't get called. Oh, we didn't actually call anything different. So we're gonna say UI to on show on select show and then pass in this. That's typo. Welcome back, Joveguard. So if anybody was wondering what hashtag banana hoodie was, well, now you know. We have a very, very silly rule here on stream that whenever we hit the sub goal, I will put on this hoodie that the subs bought for me. So here it is, you jerks. But I'll tell you what right now. That sub goal is going up. I don't even know how to do it actually. Oh, it's in Twitch alerts. What is it? Session subscriber count. We're going up. If it means a banana hoodie, we're going up to 7. 7 will be the new sub goal. Alright. Oh, I didn't save it. A fool I am. Back in Nation, make sure you ask for permissions before posting links in chat, especially if they're to other Discord channels. We have banana programming. Did I just pass out? How could I miss a banana programming? Bananas can program too, okay? Just so you know. Panel. Alright, should we click on a panel and there we go. The title didn't show up because this panel doesn't have a name, I guess. Should have showed up though. If it's to post a Discord invitation in chat, I would rather not. If it's for your own Discord or something. If you guys want to whisper Discords to each other, that's totally cool. Hashtag sellout? What did I do, Nim? Okay, so this button is going to be for adding more panels to this panel, essentially. So we're actually scheduling the panels. Bananas programming. Has science gone too far? Science always goes too far. You know, we're having this problem with the close button as well every single time. There needs to be a way to automate this probably. Just give it a class called close button. So let's look at our show view. We have a list of our panels. I guess what we'll do for now... What will we do for now? We'll generate a panel listing. Let's get an employee listing here. Let's make this not a prefab. That's annoying. Let's put an employee listing in the show view. What's up, Taking Penguin? We're going to call this a panel listing. We're going to add this to our prefabs. I have something like 3-day silencer. Please go to sleep. Get some rest. I'll see you later, dude. Our preferred height is going to be, or min height is going to be a little bit bigger. Panels are pretty important. You made this sub-goal higher than it's already been hit. That was easy, just like a tomato for our enjoyment. No, that's not how it works, Lord. I was changing it for next time. Damn jerk. So panels won't have any images for now. We will just have a text. There's going to be a name up here. Stretch. 10. What? Weatherless! Are you serious? Oh my goodness! The board! Weatherless coming in with the 1985 and blowing our donation goal out of the water. You know what that means? If you guys are in chat, first of all, please drop some love and hearts for Weatherless. Coming in with $19.85. You are amazing, dude. Thank you so much for your support. As you guys know, all the donations go to keeping the stream alive and keeping me streaming full time. So thank you so much, Weatherless. And now because of that donation, we have hit our Skyhook giveaway sub goal, our donation goal, which means it's giveaway time. If you want a giveaway, if you want a free Steam key to Skyhook, the game that I made and released here on Twitch, Let's get some hype and some giveaway and some kappa and some hearts and some butts and some whatever else you have in chat right now as I fire up the giveaway tool. Boopy doopy doop. Twitch downloads. Let's do it. You guys ready? Are you guys ready for a free copy of the only game in the world where you can play as a hammerhead shark riding on a griffin who spews lightning and also fights with a grappling hook? GT! Banana hoodie indeed, dude. Banana hoodie indeed. You guys ready? It's the Skyhook donation or Skyhook giveaway. FTM music, stop! It's time to load your names. Drop myself. And I think, I don't know, most of the mods have the key, but that's okay, I don't know. Let's do it! Here we go! You don't have emotes, Dragon, you have lots of emotes. There's global emotes. There we go, Skyhook giveaway time! We're giving away a free copy of Skyhook, the game I created here on Twitch. Let's go! Is it gonna be Flint? Is it gonna be Indy? Is it gonna be GT? Is it gonna be a Simbi? Is it gonna be OPL? Is it gonna be Titan? Is it gonna be Cushfort? Nope. Is it gonna be my mom? Maybe that guy's mom? Could be this guy over here. Jeffy. No, Kurt. Starlights, guys. Sinful. G Degrees. Yeah, I think it's gonna be King Penguin. The Penguin has it. To King Penguin, if you are here in chat, say something. You have 60 seconds. 60 seconds to prove that you're a human being and not just a penguin. Oh, there he is. I think I see him. You won. That's right. Bow now. Where is my thingies? So King Penguin, congratulations, dude. You are the winner of our Skyhook $100 donation goal giveaway, which means I'm going to whisper you a Steam key to Skyhook right now. You can play it on Steam with your friends, or you can tell your friends, screw it, and you can play by yourself because there's AI. Penguin, Skyhook, Steam key, congrats. And spell your name right, it's not the wrong person. There we go. Penguin, I've whispered your key. Congratulations, dude. And thank you so much to everybody who donated to hit this $100 donation goal. Weatherless, thank you so much for smashing that goal through the roof. You're amazing, dude. Let's go back to making video games. So, totally rigged. Definitely rigged. Oh, yeah. King Penguin is actually me, and I'm actually King Penguin, and that's the secret. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Skyhook giveaway starts at $1.95. Go. Rigged. Whoa, there's a rigged emote? Oh, by Joshua. Okay. Josh OG. I didn't know there was a rigged emote. That's awesome. Okay, then. Let's figure out. Oh my god, the banana hoodie keeps pulling down my headphones. Hold on. Can you make these smaller? This is like one size fits all? I think there was a way to make them smaller? Oh, they just like clamp to your head. $125,000 emote? What do you mean, Penguin? Silencer, why are you still awake? See you, dude. Thanks for hanging out. No stream tomorrow, but there's a stream on Friday, so please come join us again. The prophecy says you're meant to solve it. The prophecy of Silencer. Okay, Mystery Butthole, and this is gonna be the genres. So we're gonna say this is. You know, one day this game's gonna be on Steam, and someone's gonna find a Mr. Poopy Butthole text message somewhere. So panel name. And this is going to be in BBOS. BBOS new. BBOS new. And then this text is... Wait, what? This is a panel listing. How'd this fall out? Get back in there. This is genres. That was emote until a stream a while back and he hated it and everyone loved it, and in a charity stream when they hit 125 he added it back. That's amazing. That is awesome. So this is also going to be, actually let's just copy this. So we don't want it to be all the way up there. We want it to be like that high. So we delete this. Namer. It's going to be genres. This is light, then what the hell is this? Whatever. Simulate size 14. And guests. Maybe 16? So we can see now that a tab panel usually generates a bunch of prefabs inside of it. What time zone, Silencer? EST, Eastern Standard Time. 2 p.m. EST. Monday, Wednesday, Friday is the stream schedule, if that's what you were asking. Zoot! We call for another clue! Guys, can we get hashtag Zoot clue in chat? We could summon Zoot and get another clue from him. Alright, panel name, guests. Day. So the idea is that putting plus on this will change that. Oh, that's not supposed to be a... The genres is actually not supposed to be a thingy. It's supposed to be a drop down. UI drop down. We need a Blues Clues. That's awesome. I don't want to scale it. Let's just do like that. And then guests. And make this listing even bigger. I think 100. Pretty important stuff in here. No, riddles are great. Zoot need a Blues Clue. Zoot dots a clue. Well, okay. How the hell do the drop downs work? Sprite and options, and sprite and options, and sprite and options, and on value change. Okay. So we're having all these things. We have panel listing, we have regular listings. This is currently an employee listing, which really just has an actor, actor type, and it just sets up current actor equals actor, title.text, and it never uses current actor, I don't think. Oh, it does for this. Interesting. But actor is an item, so you can do it that way. Select and follow, actor can be select and follow item instead. So we're going to make this more generic. For now, we'll just make this, delete this as an employee listing. It's not a stat view, I don't know why that's there. Which means employee listing has that extra class as well.
Oh, yeah.
And 20C109, thank you for the host. Okay, so panel listings and employee listing. It's got text, a description, title and description. And that's a description, apply. So we want to say that show view has a serialized, private, employee listing, listing prefab. I'm starting to think this actually goes inside of tab view. This is protected. Hello, 20C, how's it going? Just tab back and you see this, Asimbi? You did it. You did it. You did it to us. Okay, so we have our listing prefab. And so we're going to generate listing prefab. So we're going to say add station. We're going to say employee listing, new listing equals listing prefab.spawn. And we need to know where to put it. And that's going to be in tab. Oh, crap. Wait, it's tabs. This is not tab view. This is in the wrong thing. This is a tab view. Yes, I'm doing this in the wrong thing. Add station doesn't happen here. It should happen in the actual tab itself. So staff tab. So show tab, which is like, it's kind of confusing because show is like a show and then you're showing stuff. Like, well, should you show a tab or not? Let's just call this show station tab. Which I think is the same as a detail tab. Or just a regular tab, I suppose. So a tab. And so a tab has the tab button, tab title, canvas group, tab body. It has a tab view. Who the hell puts the tabs in here? Tab view has tabs. Tab holder. It's what creates the tab. That's fine. But who actually... Let's look at staff view. Look at staff tab. Okay, employee listing tab is what we're looking for. So we pretty much want to... We pretty much just want an employee listing tab, except it's going to have these drop downs instead. So instead of doing that, we just make this tab an employee listing tab. Place to start. Baby Quasi Banana is sleeping. Employee listing tab. It requires a view, which I think is the parent, which it gets itself now. Right? Doesn't it get it itself? Yeah, I don't think it makes this serialize that anymore. Hide that in the inspector. Requires a tab body, which I believe is this, which we should call tab content. Oh, it's a canvas group. So tab body, tab button, tab title, listing prefab. So in this case, it's going to be show listing or panel listing. Button holder. So I don't know. I think that's the content view. Poor naming conventions. Button holders where we actually put them, right? So I think this is content transform. We're going to be at BGS Thursday night, Tony C. I am. Yeah. I'm actually showing Convention Tycoon there tomorrow. Are you planning on coming through? So our content transform, and so we should be able to just spawn listing prefabs on start. And so this is where we actually do need the show station tab. So show station tab is going to extend employee listing tab. So show station tab. I really think these should be automatic, because this is a pain in the ass to set up every single time. We gotta find some way to... We could probably just search for them as children or something. I'll have to think about that. Alright, and that way this button down here, add button, we wanted to call the staff tab, show station tab, and then not higher, but add. How do you get words from numbers without a key? Oh, I guess it is higher. We're going to override higher. Higher new. How do you get words from numbers without a key? What do you mean, Tom? Oh, you're talking about the riddle. Oh, I don't know. So now that we have this whole employee class, what I'm realizing is it's going to be a much more generic, just showing tab content. So we're going to change this to add new. And we're going to override it here. And we're not going to do that. And we're not going to do that. For now, we're just going to add a new tab. Public virtual void add employee. And then we're just going to call base.add employee. And call actor. So on add new, for now we're just going to add employee null. So look at here, if doesn't contain it, spawn a prefab and set this actor, which I think should be fine. Probably. You have it, Jeffy? Oh my gosh. Has the prophecy come to pass? Is this it? Is it happening? Lord, you're just making progress? Oh no. Has Jeffy figured it out? Okay, that button didn't do a shit. Add new, which means I have to update that here. Oh, so refactoring stuff that is already placed. You shouldn't refactor something that's already set up in a button. Fine. Lessons learned. I leave for an hour and cause you guys been. I missed a lot. What's up, BPG? Okay. So no, argument cannot be null. Fine. Fine. Fine, fine, fine. Just gonna copy this code for now. I swear we're not doing copy pasta. Current list should be protected. Hey, you have access now. Stop being a jerk. There we go. So we're not going to do this. We'll just do this. That needs to be protected too. That needs to be protected too. So we're trying to add new panels to a panel. And we're also trying to, at the same time, make it a generic enough thing so it works for other things as well. God damn it. Add employee. Show station tab. What's null? Is the prefab null? Prefab's not null. No listing of the prefab itself. Listing of setup actor. Oh. Don't do this. How's it going, Jeffy? Did you figure it out? Did you get it? Items, 10 panel. Oh, it's because I'm checking the dictionary. Damn it. I see. I see. You ever get issues with models having odd lines while game is running? What kind of odd lines do you mean? Do you have a screenshot or anything, BPG? And it already has 5? Why does it already have 5? Hello? Put it down, you click on it, and it's already got... Oh, it's from before. Right. Right as rain. I thought it hides it every time you show it. Refresh view, set employees. Oh, okay. Protected, virtual, void, refresh view. So on the show station tab, I'm going to override that as well. And we want to just say clear. And that's a method we have in here. We have a clear thing. Remove employee, set employees. Oh, because employee listing only happens once. Okay, fair enough. So we're just going to say for every... No, I guess I don't know how. I just don't know why this button's getting called in the first place. Oh, it's because... Yeah, okay. So this... We have to override this method. Makes sense. Just trying to add employees. There will be a legend of the man that didn't redeem his Rocket League key. We will know what really happened. Okay. So again, items, panel, And we can start adding panels like this. And we'll have to choose their genre. We'll have to add guests here somehow. Or maybe it'll show the panels and clicking on the... no. This will have to be longer also. Okay, let's mess with that. Why is it changing to guest? This is the panel editor. Oh, no, it's not. This is the panel editor. Or show editor. It's gotta be taller. Banana hoodie! What's up, Puddle? You ain't seen nothing. Give you the link to finding out the riddle. You have the riddle? It's driving you insane. Let's see BPG. Yeah, that's usually a snapping issue if the objects aren't. Are you using Simpletown as well? I'm also using Simpletown. So I can actually show you on Simpletown. I used to have that problem here. So if they're not perfectly snapped, like if there's like an arbitrary float value in between them, then that'll happen. So you have to make sure your like snap settings are perfect and your object's positions are perfect in space. Hey Star! I'm not cute, I'm just a banana. Can you give a link to finding out the riddle? Do you have the answer back, Nation? I actually don't know the answer, only Zoot knows the answer to the riddle. But if you guys know the answer, you might want to say it soon before time is out. Before time runs out. Alright, ready, set, work this time. Quasi was actually born as a banana. You can't handle it, Star. And this is why I'm not wearing the banana hoodie to TwitchCon. There's a time limit? No, there's no time limit. I was just kidding. You guys have until whenever Zoot decides he doesn't want to do it anymore. Your Discord for finding it? Oh, sure, yeah. If it's a Discord for getting the riddle together, I mean, you guys could whisper it to each other. But if you want to just drop it one time today, it's totally cool, yeah, to get people who wants to come and join it. I'm assuming it's a special Discord just for the riddles. Which is kind of funny that now you guys have a whole Discord for the riddles. My items tab broke. So do my booths. Oh, crap. What have I done? What did I change? I didn't do anything. Well, we left things worse than we started. Buttons, booths, button, toggle panel, booth button tab. What?
Oh,
Menu tab panel. And that's Bamboo. Thank you for the host. Got a game giveaway that everyone can have. If anyone likes racing games, the crew is free on Ubisoft for a few days. Bamboo, how's it going? Okay, we have to undo because I don't know. What did we do? Did we move something? When I was trying to move those roads? Looks like it. I think I deleted something by accident. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. There we go. Back to normal. Back to normal. Okay, staff, pillows, pillows. Why you're like a banana, Lucas? So our subs bought me this banana hoodie, and the rule is whenever we hit the sub goal, I gotta put it on. So I hate all of you, and thank you for subbing. You guys are amazing.
I'm Mr. Meeseeks! Look at me!
What's up, Puddle? All right, so we got the startings of a panel. I fixed the things we broke. So next stream we're gonna work on the actual panel editor, so you can choose which guests and genres you want your panels to be on. And then the panel will only run during the given times for each panel. So again, panels have their own editor where you can actually set up what a panel is. And we're going to use the same panel to create concerts and tournaments, stuff like that as well. But with that being said, it's time to go, guys. in the face. Guys, thank you so much for a crazy stream. Getting rated by Slash Programming was madness. Welcome everybody who came over from Twitch TV Programming. I'm glad to have you guys here. It was an absolute crazy raid. The craziest raid we've ever had, I think, which was amazing. So many new followers today. Welcome all of you guys to Quasi TV. We'll be working more on Convention Tycoon. And for everyone who doesn't know, if you've never made a game before or if you've thought about making a game, we are doing a game jam in 1 week and a half. January 23rd is the beginning of Quasi Jam 7. I'll have more information on websites and stuff for you guys on Friday. But in a week and a half, we're going to be doing a weekend-long game jam. It's going to be a 3-day game jam here on stream. So I'll be streaming my game development. Other people will be streaming their game development as well. And we're all going to work on separate games. You can get into teams and work on your games together as well. We're going to start theme voting on Friday. So the poll will be up on Friday. I'll link you guys once the stream starts. We'll be voting for the jam theme. We're game jamming next weekend, the 23rd, making a brand new game. It's going to be awesome. So I invite you guys to come and make your first game, or your second game, or your third game, or your 20th game as well. A lot of people have made their first game during a Quasi Jam, and it's an amazing feeling. So I invite you guys to come join us. I showed up with enough time to see you in the Banana Suit stats. Perfect timing, dude. Perfect timing. But guys, before we go, I just got to say thank you to all the new followers, all the new subscribers, all the donators. You guys are amazing. Today was just absolute madness. Everyone who hosted today, thank you guys so much. This was a crazy stream. I'm dehydrated, I'm malnutritioned, and I'm exhausted, and I freaking love you guys. You guys are probably one of the worst people ever on Twitch, and I love you guys so much. Let's get ready for an old-fashioned raid. What do you guys say? Let's do something a little differently. So we raid a lot of game devs and we raid a lot of programmers, but never in the past have we raided somebody who is doing woodworking. What do you guys say? I demand a clue. This isn't optional. Lord, you get a clue tomorrow. Zoot will give us another clue tomorrow. So let's get ready. Bamboo, you're in! Yes! It'd be so great to get more streamers in on the Quasi Jam. I'll have more information on Friday, and I'll be sharing it on Twitter with all the game dev streamers who's interested in joining. That'd be awesome, Bamboo. So guys, let's get ready for a raid. Message is gonna be banana phone. Our raid message is banana phone, and we are raiding the very amazing Bonsai Baby, who's currently making a catapult out of wood. So that's kind of awesome. So let's go drop a banana phone raid on her. I will see you guys over on her channel. Let's go show her some love. And I love you guys. And I'll see you on Friday for our next stream. Bye. Bye.